Morning, guys. How's it going? Good morning, Balaji bro. Hi. Happy morning. Hello, good morning, bro. All right, guys. Let's get to business. That's the first step of Ash. 5:30 candle. So perfectly sits in it. And guys, we have to be very careful today. We've got news today. See this? JPY policy rate will be announced today. Yeah, it says it's tentative, but we got clarity. My best friend looked at economic calendar. Of funny pips. There you go. At 8 a.m. Okay. Gotta be very careful on that. You can't be messing with news when it comes to funding pips. They'll blow your account. Don't give them a reason to blow your account, especially in the second phase or any other phase for that matter. All right. And also at 11 a.m., there is JPY news. JPY does affect gold. So you're going to be very careful. You're going to close any and every trade before 8:45. Sorry, 7:45. For me, in my time, the news comes out at 8 a.m. So, guys, very, very careful. Do not play with news. All right. Good morning, Rizwan, bro. Hi, Nava. Good morning. Chitra, good morning. Sherry, bro. Very good morning, brother. Shiv Lakshmi, hi, good morning. Dr. Kumar, good morning, sir. David, hi. I've been news trading allowed during evaluation, right? Um, is it? I'm not sure, bro. I don't want to risk it. I'm pre- I think it's not. Um, I don't want to risk it, do I? You can trade news during challenge phase. Oh, okay. Sherry, bro, I didn't know that, man. But guys, I'm not going to risk my account. The reason why I'm saying that is, let's say you have a trade on, okay? You have, for example, let's say we have a sell trade on here, okay? Something like this, example, again, something like that. So let's say if news comes out and there is a big gap up and price opens up somewhere higher here. Well, I'll blow my account either way. Even if it's not funny pips blowing my account, the system will not recognize my stop loss. And if price opens up somewhere else, like here, that's it. I'm risking 50, for example. That will be maybe 1,000 or 2,000. So in that case, bro, it's as good as blowing your account. So that's why I don't trade newscasts. Yeah, sometimes it can go your way, definitely go your way. Um, but risking your account for that, for me, I consider that gambling. So I'd rather not, right? Bala, bro, good morning. Sandeep Kumar, bro, good morning. Hi, guys. Ravi, bro, vanakkam. Good morning. All right, guys. The first ash has been tapped. We'll be waiting for reactions from here. I will take a trade if something comes through. Okay. And that's not a trade, by the way. Um, if we are in a trade, I'll close it exactly at 7:45 this morning. Okay. Wherever the trade is, I don't care. I will close it. So there's two news coming out today. Today at 8 a.m. is the first policy, Bank of Japan policy rate. It's like the Fed rates for Japan. Okay, same thing. FOMC, same thing for Japanese currency, JPY, and also JPY press conference at 11 a.m. So eggshells right here, people. Careful. All right, the first dash down has been taken. Let's see if we get anything. Vanakkam. Vanakkam, Tamila. Vanakkam, bro. Nice to see that. Marshall is here with lassi and samosas. Love it, bro. Thank you, man. And pani puri. Good morning. Carlito in the house. Let's go. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Okay, let's see how price closes here. We might take a position here, and looks like there might be a 313 forming. Sorry, 323. I'll let you guys know if that happens. All right. So there's 3 minutes for this. Let me just quickly hop on here to make sure that, all right, if this closes down strongly somewhere here, I'll look for a setup here, man. That's 323. Um, so that will be the supply. Okay. I need a stronger closure downwards. And if that's the case, freeze the points, entry, exit. But I need a strong close downwards though. Will we get it? Nah, man. I need price to close somewhere down here. That doesn't look convincing. Let's see if this candle convincingly closes somewhere. I need it to be a red one too. So there are a few things that I look for when it comes to 3 on 3 entries. Uh, I'm going to look for it. Give me 2 minutes. No sound? Can you guys hear me? Good morning, Shalini. Hi. Hi, Samya. It's been a while. Good morning. Nope, that doesn't sit well with me, guys. All right, back to business. What's happening here? So I have 1.5 minutes for this candle to close. Again, ash right here, down, up. That's a beautiful ash zone. Let's see how this candle closes. If it wants to give us a confirmation, let's see. Okay, let's take that out for now. I don't need it, and I'll be waiting for a trade here. If there is a strong closure again towards the downside, I'll be taking a sell. Also, there is a zone to the left. Careful, people. Always careful on multiple zones. That's a stop on zone to the left. You don't want both of these zones to be taken together, all right? Okay, back. 1 minute to go. Let's see where this candle closes. If it's a short, okay? If it's a short, okay? Remember, entry, stop loss, something like that, okay? But one strong closures as usual. Okay, I'm gonna lock in here. Give me 30 seconds. Let's see if this closes, people. All right, if it closes towards the upside, I'm going for a buy, man. God. Yeah, I'm going for a buy here, man. 0.21 lots. Where is it? Invoice. Why is my price frozen, man? Futures got frozen. Why not? Should have been a buy there, bro. Sorry guys, give me 1 minute. Fuck, what are you talking about? I I don't know, it closed above the level for me, and for my best friend, it didn't. I don't know what's happening here. Give me 1 minute. We're still trying to confirm. Damn, it's gone. Confusion, chaos in the morning, people. No, bro, I didn't. I did not enter this one. Oh my God. Um, yeah, I didn't enter, man. My best friend thought it didn't close. Got the message. Nope. Apologies for the confusion, guys. For his chart, it didn't close above. Uh, damn, last second, man. Last second. Waiting for this one, guys. Good luck with buy. I'll not be buying. Paul, I didn't. Apologies, people. Sorry for the confusion, man. I didn't take it. Um, I thought, I thought I got the confirmation, but my best friend was like, "Nope, dang." Baji, bro. Apologies, man. Apparently, his chart did not show it. It froze up, and mine showed the confirmation. So we usually con get concurrent on the trades. We weren't, and I was like, "The hell with this. I'll wait for the next one." Give me 1 second. I'll wait for the next zone, people. We'll let that go. All right. So what do we have here? All right. Reset. Focus. Stop on. Okay. And Zash up here. Stop on up there. All right. Let's see, boss. Back to the chat. Yes, I agree with your best. Paul. Yeah, man. It did close above. Yeah, bro. We have another confirmation with Din. It actually came through, but his chart didn't show it at the point. And when we're confused, when we don't know exactly what's happening, we take the high road. We don't want to get in with half-assed confluences. Always, we both have to agree on trades. We usually do. This time we didn't. It's fine. We'll look for other ones. Hello, brother. Can you show your previous trades? Uh, yeah, man. Let me see if I can find a trade here, and then we can go with. Oh, yesterday's trade. Hold on. Yo, this was yesterday, boys and girls. So the first 3 and 3 trade, remember? Guys, the 6:30 candle yesterday did that, and then would have closed there. I was looking at this after the fact, and I was like, "Damn, that was close." Yeah, man. It just swept us, bro. It was very unlucky yesterday with the 3-1-3. It ended up being a 1:11 if it didn't take stop loss, but ifs, buts, whatever. Close, man. But yesterday's beautiful 3-1-3, sorry, ash trade that we took live ended up closing gloriously towards the downside. Congrats on the people who took it. That was actually beautiful to see. Um, Price was actually playing with us at this point, and eventually got ready to smack TP. Okay, convincingly did though, and after that it reversed. And yeah, man, good trade. I did catch another trade towards the upside, but this candle manipulated me out of it. Sorry, I shouldn't have manipulated. I got out. So one TP, one stop loss. So I was up for the day. Very close though. It I got wicked out and then again unlucky. Went to TP. It's okay, man. All right, let's see what happens today. Yesterday we got a TP live. All right, we'll be patient, people. Balaji was like, join Discord, bro. Yeah, man, I usually update everything on Discord, especially when it goes to TP. Been copy trading you for a while. I'm up 10K. Just quit my job. Bro, wow, man. Yo, that's the best outcome, bro. Congrats, man. Up 10K. That's wow. Life-changing money in India. Where are you from, bro? Karibma. Where are you from? And, bro, I love the fact that you made money and after you made it, you quit your job. I've seen people do the opposite. Guys, please don't quit your jobs before you make money with trading because that's the worst thing that you do for yourself and your family. Always, guys, always, please be careful. But I'm proud, my brother. That's hardcore right there, man. Can't believe someone quit their jobs because they copy traded me. Uh, I'm so happy. All right, back to futures. Did I get any three on threes? No. So we have a stop point here. There are other zones to the left too. So this would be the first tap. And also, look at this. That's ash right there. So when price does come here, I want to make sure that it takes thoughts on trend line trading. Bro, trend line trading can work. Okay. Again, in a market, you can trade it a million ways. Any market, you can trade it a million ways. It can work. It depends upon the confluences. It depends upon the discipline and the strategy itself. Um, I've seen people, actually, we were talking about it, me and my best friend. My best friend's colleague does trendline trading and he was up $7,000 last month. It does work, man. So I don't badmouth other strategies. Congratulations on your win. There you go. Congrats, bro. Yeah, man. I'm very happy for you, man. 10K and quitting your job. Best possible outcome, my brother. Kudos to you, Arvind. You're changing lives. Balaji, bro, thank you, man. I'm happy, bro. Even I got someone yesterday too, Badri, on Discord saying she passed her 100K account and then she's up $2,000 on the account, like live account. Man, I'm very happy for you guys, man. I'm like genuinely happy for you guys. Um, Guys, this zone has been taken. So while we're talking, careful. Good morning, Patel, bro. Hi. Yeah, I just watched you like a hawk and copy you. Everyone thinks I'm a genius. Bro, you are a genius, man. Guys, listen, even to follow someone relentlessly, okay, relentlessly, let me say that right. All right. To do that takes a lot. Um, I get that you guys are copying me, but try to understand what I'm trying to do. And eventually, if even if I'm sick and even if I'm not available, I'd I'd love you guys to do what I'm doing. Okay. So understand it, study my trades, go back to the live streams, go back on my videos. For stop on guys, 95% of it is out. Okay. 95%. If you study my trades closely, I think you can figure it out eventually. But guys, learn it, apply it. I'm very happy that you guys are doing well, but do better than me. Okay. That's my hopes for you. I'm in buy here. Daisy, awesome. So I'm waiting for the next candle close. That candle tapped all of these. Okay. You guys can see all this, right? So that stop hunt was tapped. This is Ash. That's Ash. That was stop hunt. So everything was tapped here. Let's see what the next candle does, and then I'll decide on a trade. Right now, I'm just waiting, people. Okay. Copying is also art, sir. Patel ji, 100% agree with you. I used to do that a lot in school. Big art, man. I mean, guys, it was fun back in school, bro. Good morning, Danny, bro. Welcome, man. Let's go bullish. Let's see. Love you, bro. Don't stop live now. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I'm not gonna stop live anytime soon. I'm not planning to, guys. We were talking about it last night. Me and my best friend. We were like, "Listen, bro. Everyone is charging money for doing lives. Even he was just saying that some YouTuber was charging 40. I mean, $40 or $4, whatever the case is. Um, then I was like, listen, bro, we were in the seat that these people are in right now. Okay. Like you guys, I was you maybe 2 or 3 years ago. Okay. Same guy didn't know what the hell was happening. I'm not saying all of you are, but I was a guy who didn't know what was happening in the market. I was hoping for someone to teach me, someone to show me the ropes. Back then, I didn't have any money of my own. Okay. Not 2 years ago, but 6 years ago. Even then, guys, listen, the thing I'm trying to say here is I was also a trader desperate to make it in trading once once upon a time. I feel how you guys feel. I know how you guys feel. I've felt how you guys feel right now. And I told my best friend that we are never going to charge anything for lives. This is going to be free for lifetime. Whatever I'm taking in my accounts, my people will be able to see it. I'm not going to charge a penny for that. Let them do it. We'll help as many people as possible along the way. Yeah, I'm not giving 100% of my strategies. Yeah, that has been reserved. But whatever I'm taking, I'm going to make sure that my community knows. And if I could help at least 10 people in my lifetime, man, I'm very happy. That's all I care about. And I hope you guys find some good, advice here and there so that it helps you with your trading. And that's my goal. I'm very happy for you guys. It means a lot that you guys, come to the stream, interact with me. Very satisfied man right here in the blue t-shirt. So, Madan bro, good morning, man. Going down from here based on this candle. Let's see. People, 2.5 minutes to close. I want a strong closure. This stop point I'm going to avoid. This ash is all that matters because that has been breached. Can you see this? That has been breached. So we're going to wait for that, people. Good morning. Sent 100. That's awesome, bro. Brother, you take your trades based on trends and in your strategy or whatever your strategy gives you, like buy once and sell once. Absolutely. Lakshmi Kumar, bro. Whatever my strategy gives, I take it. I don't care about the trend. I don't care about trend lines. I don't care about fundamentals. It's all price action based. I look at what price wants to do. Even right now, guys, listen, this got taken. If this candle closes strongly towards the downside, but I'm going to take it. Okay. I will give you confirmations. Don't worry. Um, right now, we're going to focus. We have 2 more minutes. This is Daisy. Daisy says this is bad. Oh my God. Daisy, listen, that's why I wait for confirmations, guys. Listen, the first candle doesn't. Oh, wow. What the? That's bleeding, people. All right. 1.5 minutes to close. That is Daisy. Sorry for you. That's why. That's why always we wait for the second candle to tell us the story. This candle does tell us the story. Okay. Um, my soul is telling me that we've missed that 313, which should have been taken. I don't know, man. Our A plus setup is different. I wanted a different closure, but on the 313, remember? I was talking to you about that. Hold up. Forget about all that. All right. Here. Right here, people. If it's a short, okay, that'll be the entry candle. That'll be the stop loss candle. And we'll have a trade like this, 52 seconds. I'll give you confirmations right now. I'm going to focus people. Hold up. All right. Looks very strong. Let's see. Let's see. 0.06 lots. If this closes as is in the next 30 seconds, guys, I'll be in a short. All right. If this closes as is, I hope you guys understand that. 0.06 lots. 14 seconds, people. 14. 1 4. I'm in, guys. Short. All right. That's the trade. First trade for this morning, people. That's the stop loss. As usual, targeting a 1:3. It's way down there because of that huge candle. But that'll be the first trade. All right. There you go. Why is there a difference between my indicator and my trade? Hold on. Let me check something. It is in a 1:3 ratio. Interesting. All right. I'm going to sell, boys. There you go. So that's entry. That is stop loss. And TP is down here. Let's see. Whatever happens here happens. Okay. All right. That's a convincing close. This is what I talk about when I look for closures. You see that? That's a beautiful close towards the downside. Now we can be pretty confident on that sell, but anything can happen always as usual. We do our best to accommodate price and then set and forget. Okay. So 103.84 to 104.84 will be the stop loss. There you go. So it's a $51 stop loss for me. TP is going to be 153. Perfect. I'm in convincingly. All right, back to the chat. Entered at 102. Perfect, bro. Daisy, what happened? Did you take a shot or what happened? I am an SMC. My theory has many fundamentals and rules, but your theory was quite very simple and very friendly SL and TP. There we go. That's what I like to see. Guys, listen. The more confluences you have for trading, the more lines you have on your chart, the more stars you need to align in order to get a trade, you're going to complicate things. Okay, for me, my brain does not comprehend all that. I have a very simple brain. This guy doesn't. He's not a supercomputer. He wants things to be very simple. So that's why we figured out a strategy on how to make trading simpler and easier for us to understand and follow. Okay, having mine is a mechanical strategy. So I work like a robot. You see this, guys, in the last week and a half, these were all same rule trades, man. Same rules. I don't change my rules. I don't twist them around. This worked in the last 2.5 weeks because we did not change our rules. We kept on executing to the T. We made sure that the strategy is simple. We're not adding rules on top of it. So once you keep your strategy simple, people, you will start to feel better in execution and your psychology will become stronger. You'll become you'll become pleased with trading, man. The more strategies, I mean, the more conferences you have, the more hurdles you have for your strategy to hop through, it's going to become complicated for your strategy. Try having a simpler strategy, a logical strategy, which gives you room to play with systematic rules and just apply it and forget it, right? Guys, if you have a mechanical strategy, you won't be thinking too much about, okay, is this nice or is it pretty? Can I do this? If you have all those questions, you're going to doubt yourself, you're going to doubt the strategy, you're going to hate trading. Okay. That's why I keep saying, keep your strategy simple. If your strategy gives a trade, take it. Close your eyes, put the button on. All right. And if your strategy says no, wait, there's no clear confirmations, your entry confidence doesn't match, hands off. My first trade, it matched mine, it didn't match my best friend's. I was like, the hell with it. Okay. Now we are congruent. We got the trade. That's it. Right? Simple. Prasad bro is in. Awesome, bro. Daisy, damn, the bullish FEG is shit. Daisy, sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't. You just have to be careful on that, right? I cut losses. Yeah, I sell at 40.99 once the FEG break. Try following your TP. Let's go. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Loves me, loves not. Loves me, loves. So it's a love and a hate relationship, bro. Raj, bro. I'm off tomorrow, yeah. So see you till the end. I'm off tomorrow. So should see you live till the end. Tomorrow means, oh, okay. Oh, nice, bro. You're gonna watch me live until today's end. Nice, man. Lovely. I'm glad you're here, bro. Khalid, hopefully 3 to 3 coming in. Balaji, bro, I think we've lost that 313, man. That should have been a trade. That was a B setup. I was too, man. It's okay, man. We don't look and talk about the ones that are gone. That's fine. Took at 40.97 at 0.05 lots. But if, bro, like, let me clear something. Is it 0.05? Do you take it every time, or is it based on the pips in stop loss? Can you clarify that for me? Because I'll be very happy if it's based on the lot size. I'm sorry, pips. Good morning, Nidhi, bro. Hi, man. Welcome, welcome, people. Lovely to have you people here. Secrets of Darkness. Yeah. Hi. SL $35. Perfect. Perfect, man. As long as you guys have a fixed risk, meaning whatever the risk may be, it can be a dollar amount or it can be a percentage of your account. Have it fixed for every trade that you take, okay? Regardless. Unless and until you hit minus 50% in drawdown, it's going to be the same risk. For me, when I'm float, which is above 50% of drawdown, I'm risking 0.4% of my account size. With stop hunt and ash, I'm risking 0.2% when it comes to 3 on 3s. Okay. That's fixed. If my account is in drawdown 50%, okay, and I cut my risk half. So if I was risking 0.4, now I'm risking 0.2 with stop hunt. Okay. But I did make a mistake. I'm going to come clean with that. Um, when my account came to minus 50%, which was right up here, okay, we had a very bad patch. I missed a beautiful patch of trades while I was on vacation, okay. Whatever happened, the account came down, okay. Focus, people. Um, so whatever happened at that point, because of this 10 SLs and then back-to-back SLs with 3 on 3 and missing trades, dumb as I am, missing a 1 is to 12 due to a flat tire. Things happened, got spiraled down towards minus 50% of the account size. What I did right was cut the risk for stop hunt, but what I did wrong was not cutting the risk for 313s. I kept the risk on for 313. That destroyed my account, people. Don't do the mistakes I do. I'm going to correct this next time. I'm a guy who makes one mistake once and you know tries with his life not to do it again. Okay, I've made this mistake now. I've realized the mistake. I'm not going to do it. So the mistake was I didn't cut the risk into half for my 313s. I should have. If I did that, I would have been gone, like way up there right now. I would have passed my account. So you see this. At this point, I was risking $50 on. Um, Before this, I was risking 100, usual risk. When my account came to 50% drawdown, you see that? That's when it came back. So 13th of July, 50% drawdown hit. So I reduced the risk, but I kept on the $50 risk for 3 on 3s. Whenever I was making good money with stop on strategy, 313 was actually eating it up. Look at this, $100 up. So risking 50, making 150, and ending up with $100 positive for the day with stop on. But I was actually getting. I'll come back to the comments, guys. Kai, bro, you again, man. um, what was I saying? Okay, with the same risk, with the 3 on 3 strategy, I was actually losing money, all the profits from stop hunt. So that was the mistake. I realized it very late. Look at this. Whatever profits I was making, $50 here, $50 gone. So I was breaking even, right? If I had the usual risk, I would have been inching upwards, right? If I got above 50%, I would have risked as usual. I would have been going up and up and up. This would have been all $300 right here, right? So moral of the story: if you're below 50%, cut your risk for every trade that you have. Okay, if you have two strategies, if you're playing with two strategies, the first strategy if you're using 0.4% as risk, cut it to 0.2. The other strategy I was using 0.2, I should have cut it to 0.1. Okay. That should have been the framework. Mistake. I was greedy. I didn't want to cut 313 because it was already at $50. And I was like, $50 is small enough. Why do you want to cut it to 25? But if I did that, I would have been in a different area right now in terms of my account. It's okay. We make mistakes. Completely human. Even I'm human, guys. Come on. Next time it won't happen. The rule with me is I'm very hard on myself. If I make a mistake, I realize it, I kick myself for it. Next time, I make it so hard for me to make that mistake again. Okay. Next time, I'm not going to make it. I'm going to print it somewhere in my body. Kidding. But I'm not going to make that mistake. All right. So, guys, it's okay to make mistakes. Realize your mistakes. Correct your mistakes. Next time, make sure it won't happen ever again. Okay. Once you keep doing these things, correcting small, small mistakes in terms of the rules, fundamentals of your strategy itself. I'm not talking about the news and all that. I'm talking about you as a trader, fundamentals of your psychology. Okay. Get strong here, your trading will come. That's it. That's it. That's what I've learned in this 9-year journey. That once your psychology is strong, you're gonna make it, people. All right. If a stop point is below the ash, now do you ignore the ash, wait for reaction at stop point and not the ash? Kalido, good question. Guys, listen. In this area, we had two. Remember, we had stop point as well as ash. This is ash for me because that wasn't a convincing trade. Kalido, great question, man. I'll answer that question. Listen. So this for me, since this was not a reversal like this one, I consider this an ash. For stop ones people, we want visible, very high intensity reversals like this. Look at that. That's a very high intensity reversal. The reason why I'm saying that is because that was a beautiful V, like a cut V, right? Even there, even here, decent. Reversed, wild up. And again, reversed wildly down, right? Excuse me. So, but with this, it was consolidating for a bit. So I call this ash. What did it, sorry, what did I do when price came? So there was also stop hunt here as well as ash, right? Carlito, whichever zones get tapped last. So most recent tap for the zone, you take it. You disregard the zone earlier. Okay, let's say if stop on tapped first and I got a reaction towards the upside, I would have taken it. Okay, I would have respected stop on and not cared about dash because it wasn't tapped. As long as the zone doesn't get tapped, I don't care. If the zone gets tapped, regardless of ash or stop hunt, I'm going to only focus on the most recent zone that got tapped. Okay, plain and simple. The rules are very clear in terms of my strategies. I'm very strict on those, as you guys know. Do not worry about zones that are not tapped. If two zones are tapped on the same time, same candle, only worry about the zone that's been recently tapped. Okay, most recent tap. I hope that's clear, my brother. Best ever forex. All the best, man. God, because of rains, I'm not able to wake up earlier. Feeling sleepy these days. Patel, bro, I get that feeling, man. Oh wow. All right. Live action teach a lot, sir, to improve for big goals. Yes, we keep improving, my brothers. One main take from you every day I'm here is trust your strategy and stick to it. Exactly. Paul, bro, 100%. 6:30 candle also coming, bro. Michelle, bro, yesterday, man, 6:30 candle was in our friend. 15 minutes for 6:30, guys. I will close any trade and every trade I have at 7:45. I'm not going to break a rule of news, okay? Let's hopefully wait for this to close before that. Wherever this trades and wherever this trade ends up at 7:45, I'm going to close it. Right now it's 6:15. Perfect. If we get the 6:30 candle towards our side, I think we'll get the TP before the news timing. But let's see, boys and girls. It's going to be very, very close. After 18 minutes, let's go. Today, Spider-Man brand new day is coming. Let's go. I'm waiting for it, man. In Singapore, it's been released. We've got good reviews from Singapore. My best friend lives in Singapore. So 4108, you put stop hunt. Why it is stop hunt? Okay, that was Marshall, right? Bro, this one, 4108. 4108? This high? Bro, for stop hunts, guys, usually I look for four candles on either sides, okay? If I have four candles towards the upside, so while going up, four candles while coming down, that I consider stop hunts. For Ash, I if it's just two candles, okay, this right here, I would consider that an Ash, okay? This right here only had three candles towards the upside, okay? That's why I consider that an Ash instead of a stop hunt, okay, guys? Zones, if it's shorter, two candles to either sides, that's Ash. Four candles to either sides and visible reversals, that's stop hunt, okay? That's the differentiation between stop hunt and Ash. I hope that's clear. Very, very distinct things to look for. Very clear on rules, very simple to understand. Do not complicate it. Four candles on both sides becomes stop hunt. Bigger zones, smaller zones with two candles, two green, two red. Doesn't have to be back to back. All I need is two candles making me a visible pyramid. Okay, that's it. A visible upwards triangle or a downwards triangle. That's it. Do not complicate it. I'm a very simple guy. My brain doesn't comprehend, ICT too complicated for me. So don't worry. I'm simple like you. As long as you can. Good morning. Hi. Two good mornings then. Okay, I need to rewatch this video again, but cut your wrist to 50%. I'm so lame about math. Guys, okay. Let me rephrase it. Let me give you a rundown on what I mentioned. Let's say your account has a drawdown of $10,000. Okay, I'm going to make this simpler for you. Okay, your account max loss for that account is $10,000, for example. Okay, if right now your account is at $5,000 minus, so break even is zero, minus 5,000 is drawdown. Okay, you're in the negative in the account. You're 50% to your blowing target. You'll blow your account when it gets to $10,000, right? Right now you're in $5,000. I hope that's clear. Okay, 50% to that. Now what happens? You can't keep your risk as usual. Now you're losing in the account. You're going to make sure that you're going to save the account. In order to save your account, you're going to cut your risk to half. If you were risking 0.4% earlier, now you're going to risk 0.2%. Plain and simple. Until you get above that 50%. Okay? You're below 50% now. You're deep in the red. You don't want to stay here. You want to get up there. You don't want to lose your account. Protecting your account comes first, always. If you're 50% or below in drawdown, make sure you cut the risk into half and you're fighting to get back up. All right? Let me show you. I'm showing you live examples. This is not all fake. Right now, I'm 50% in drawdown. Okay, that's why I'm risking less. All right, let me show you what's happening. Where's the chart? Look at this, guys. 15 July, like I mentioned, we were down. All right, that's when we started the fight back. Can you see this? So this is somewhere that I took the vacation. My God, wrong timing for a vacation. Okay, somewhere there. And then Spiral missed a couple of trades, good trades. Again, fight back, then couldn't help it. Bad patch, came down. Going down in an account is not an issue. It's not a problem. Okay. Risking usual is the problem. Now, this is the fight back. I was down almost 8% on the account. Now, we've fought back 3% we've made in the account size. Right now, the graph is looking up. This is how you fight back. You never lose your accounts, no matter what happens. Okay. You keep your fight on, risk lower, keep going every day, keep executing every single trade as usual, but with a smaller risk. Once you get back to that 5%, minus 5% mark, once you make it out, actually, make it out of the 5% mark, because that's another mistake I made. When I came to minus 5%, I was like, okay, I'm going to risk back again. And I risked $100 as usual. got a stop loss, came back to below -5, right? And then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna risk half of what I usually do, and I'm fighting back again. Risked another $100, came back. So what I've realized now is build a buffer on top of -5%. So right now I'm building a buffer of 1%. So get to -4% and then risk normal, right? Even now my account is -4. I can risk normally, but I'm not doing it because I need a buffer on top of it. So I need 3 trades worth of buffer before I could risk my usual. I know that's a little bit confusing. Um, Let me try to put that into words. If my drawdown is -5%, so what is that? $1,250, I think. Yeah, $1,250. Sorry, $1,250 is 50% in drawdown. Okay. I want my account above that, meaning I want my account somewhere at, oh, let me put it here. Can you see that? Yeah, I can see that. Somewhere at minus 3 trades, right? So -$900. If my account gets to this area, then -$200, -1,250. What is it? Yeah. So 5% minus is $1,250 for my account. My account, okay? 25K, two-step account, -1,250. When I get back to -900 in my account, then I'll start risking a usual 0.4%. Okay, what happens now is I've built a buffer on top of the buffer. I hope that makes sense. Now I get to take 3 trades before I go back below -50%. Okay, then it's easier for me to get back into break-even territory. I hope that makes sense, man, because it's kind of complicated a little bit. Are you trailing stop losses and pyramid? As personally feels like though you're journaling on this. To do journaling on this. I don't trail stop loss people. Um, I just let it be. I don't care about stop and right now. Okay, that's there. This trade is gonna run to TP or a sell. We have 8 minutes for candle open. Let's see. Okay, where do we see news timings and website? What is the news? Patel, bro. This thing I saw in Funding Pips. If you have an account, you can go to calendars on the left. So you'll have a news area. There, they'll tell you what time the newses are. But I usually check it in my Forex Factory. Okay. Sorry, Forex Factory. This is where I usually check, but this time they didn't give me a time. You see this? This is called tentative, means that anytime. How can news be anytime? So I got pissed. My best friend figured out that you can actually look at the times in the Funding Pips calendar itself. So that's how I figured out we have news at 8 a.m. my time today. Okay, guys, careful on news. Never trading news. You can blow your account. That's why. Listen, that's why they say it's restricted. You see this? Restricted. You can't trade during these days and news timings. They will blow your account. They'll say, listen, we had it in our calendar. You didn't see it. It's your fault. It was right there. If you see restricted, careful. All right? All right. Day by day, the chat count is going up. Wonder how you're going to manage when the chat count is much higher. Sherry, bro, even I'm thinking about that, man. A lot of people are sitting in the chat right now. I'm trying to cope with it. Too many messages, too many questions, but I'll try my best. After a point, let's say if you have 500 people here, if we have 100 people talking at the same time, it's gonna be a little tough for me to answer everyone. To be kinder, let's see, guys. I'll try my best. I'll try my best to accommodate each and every single one of you because that's what I'm here to do. I'll help as many people as possible and answer queries as much as possible. Let's see. It's gonna be a trick situation, my brother. For 2 days, 6:30 going against us, do something. Marshall, bro, I'll call the operator, man. I'll tell him to push it down today, bro. Bro, listen, bro, Marshall. I have a good feeling today, man. For some reason, I have a great feeling today. Maybe today we'll get something good. All right. 6:30 might sweep range 102, 108 if it goes up. Let's see, boys. Let's see. Let's see. Also, if you cut your risk to 50%, the number of trades you can take goes up. Exactly. Okay. So usually for my strategy to go to minus 1,250, so which is 50% of my drawdown, that only takes 10, 12 trades. Okay, 12 trades to go back to drawdown minus 50%. If I'm cutting my risk in half, which is 0.2%, now I get to take 24 trades. So double of what I can take, which is going to save my account. There's no way in heavens that I'm going to blow my account with 0.2% risk. God, no, please don't do it. With 24 trades in a row, I can't take stop losses for 24 trades in a row. Look at this. My record won't support it. Look at this. In the last month, there's no 24 stop losses back to back. The worst case scenario was 10 here and then 0.2%, another maybe 10 here. 20 on average would have been, what is it? 10 trades, 5 trades here, 15 trades on average back to back with 0.5% risk. So I'm not going to take 24 SLs in a row. So your strategy will not support it. Um, this is the comeback of my lifetime because going to minus 8% and at minus 4% now to eventually passing the account and then a take profit would be a story to tell. I'll be like Mike Tyson coming out of a fight, getting punched on the face, but that's good to do, right? Always, guys, stick to the rules. You'll save your accounts. If you follow what I'm telling you to follow, you will not blow your account, man. And if you follow your strategy to the T, if your strategy has a 1:3 with a 40% win rate, you will never blow your account. Take that from me. It will not happen. Okay. I can guarantee that because the math won't let you blow your account. Out of 10 trades, you're getting 6 stop losses, fine. Okay. Even if that's in a row, fine. No worries for your account. The rest of those 4 trades are going to be 1:3s. Okay. So that's 1:12 right there. So 4 positive trades, 1:3 each, 4 threes are 12. Simple math. Even with 6 stop losses, you're still up 50%. You understanding the math here? Math is very simple, man. Out of 10 trades, if you take 6 stop losses, if you're risking 100, you're risking $600. Okay. You lost $600. Fine. The rest of those 4 trades, that's $400 risk. You're getting 3 times on those trades. 4 threes are 12. That's $1,200 in positive. Okay. You're up $600 even after the losses. You understanding the math here? If your strategy has a 40% win rate with the 1:3, you'll be wildly successful. Wildly, I'm talking about. So guys, stop hunting for a strategy that gives you 80%. That's a myth. Maybe 1 or 2 people on planet Earth might have it. Stop chasing it, man. You don't need it. To be successful in trading, you don't need that goddamn strategy. All you need is a 40% win rate, man. To to pass my exams in school, I had a 33% minimum. In trading, if you have 30%, you're gonna pass it. You're gonna pass trading if you with the 1:3 strategy. That's it. You shouldn't be taking partials though. If you take partials, the 1:3 won't be whole. You're not getting the whole 1:3. No partials though. That's the rule. Okay. If you have that, guys, take it down from me, write it down somewhere in your wall. You're not going to fail in trading. If you have a 1:3 with a 40% win rate, you're not going to have. Look, this month, guys, we are very successful this month. I'll tell you why. Okay. Last month comparison. Okay. The hell with my vacation and all that. I'm gonna wipe it. That doesn't matter. You should take vacations once in a while. It's okay. So I'm gonna disregard all these 3 TPs. Okay. Let's just put that aside for now. The whole of last month, okay, I took 5 wins in stop hunt. 5 wins. This is before I introduced Ash into the mix, okay? I didn't have Ash at that point. 5 wins for the whole of last month out of 27 trades, okay? 22 losses last month. I'm just talking about stop hunt here. Focus, all right? This month, I'm very happy because look, out of 39 trades this month, 14 take profits, guys. 1-4. We got 5 last month. We got 1-4 this month. 14 take profits. I'm not saying this because I'm amazing. I'm saying this because the math is better. The math is much better. We're getting ahead on the graph. You see the graph? You see this? We're getting there. With my normal risk, I'm going to pass the account eventually. Okay? That's what I'm trying to say. Is 6:30 here? Oh, 6:30 is here. Frick's sake. And again, it's going against us. God. Yeah, guys. Hold on. Let's watch this and get back to the math. Oh, I hate 6:30. Been very mean to us this week. Let's see if he breaches us today. Okay, that's lovely. We were in the same scenario yesterday. We were in a short while 6:30 happened. 1:5 above in our trades, and then 6:30 happened to us. So I'll finish the point, okay? What I was trying to say. Guys, this month I'm very happy because we introduced Ash on, when did we introduce Ash? On the 3rd of July, okay? That's when we introduced Ash into the mix. After that, it's been 1:3 rain, okay? That's the patch we were looking for. This month was very successful in terms of the strategy itself. We're cementing the strategy. If I risked normally for all these trades, we would have been very higher in the chart, but it's fine. I'm clawing my way back. It's all in the plan, okay? The thing to consider this month was last month we had 5 take profits. This month we had 14 take profits with stop hunt. We are getting better. Yes, I might be down $393 for the month because you see on the left, 313 strategy has been mean this month. It's fine. I've done the back test. I know it works in the long term, sorry. I'm going to hold on to it. Okay. That's fine. Even then, we're up. We're only down almost $400 for this month. The good news for this month is 14 TPs, 14 cross three. How much is that? 30, 42. 1:42 risk to reward minus 25. What is that? I'll give you the math right here. Okay. Hold on. The max is always right, guys. 1:42. Okay. That's how much we got in terms of profits, risk to reward. Okay. Minus 25. What is it? 1:17 up for the month. Okay. 1:17 meaning $1,700 if I was risking 100. Okay. But my account was in a bad shape. So I had to risk less and hence the $400 up. Okay. Guys, we did very well this month. I'm just happy that we did. It's fine, man. One trade won't change the stats. We will keep doing what we're doing. 6:30, the hell with it. If it wants to take us out, so be it. Bro, best ever FR. I'm gonna block you, man. I mean, I've given you warnings. Listen, bro. If your trading is good, if your channel is good, people are gonna come to you, man. Why do you want to advertise your freaking thing on a different live stream, bro? God, this is what I don't like about other fellow YouTubers. God, I'm gonna kick him out, people. Don't worry. I like to support other people, but when they actually take advantage of me, man, that's when I get pissed. Where is he? Is he gone? What did I see? Yeah, right here. All right, bro. You're gone now. Bye bye. I didn't want to do him, but I don't like it when the other people, take advantage of me. Entered shot from here. That's awesome, bro. No sound? Can you guys hear me? Hello? It's fine, man. Can you guys hear me? Loud and clear? Yes, sir. Thank you guys for saying that. What he says, bro. Nidhi, bro, he's advertising his channel, man. I'm not sure about that link. Guys, do not click any links when it comes to other people on Discord or in the chat. You never know who the hell and what link is that. Be careful on the links, people. If you click it, if some virus comes through your computer or your phone, so don't do it. That's why I keep my Discord as well as my chat a sacred space. I don't want people getting scammed. All right. Yes, thank you for the confirmations, people. You can hear me. I'm glad. I'm glad that you heard my rant on stop losses and 50% risk reward. Yes, dude, all good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, you guys are amazing. Man, I'm having a lot of fun every day with you people. Hopefully, we're trading much better nowadays. Guys, if you guys stick to stop hunt and ash trades, you're going to do wildly well, very successful. All right. Badri did stick to the stop and trades, but I'm not going to abandon 313 just because it gave me a bad month. The reason is in the back test, people, it's been very, very good. Imagine catching 1 is to 40 in a live account. It's going to change my life. I'm going to keep the 313 strategy. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. I'm not going to abandon my strategies just because it gave me a bad month. Because listen, again, I'm an open book, guys. Yeah, this month might be 21 stop losses and 2 wins, giving us a total of 790 negative. Okay. Last month was 211 negative, but it should not have been because I missed a valid 1 is to 12. It's okay. Even then, it's just $200 minus. Okay. Look at the month prior. We were up $1,476. Okay. It has given us good months. I'm not going to abandon the strategy because I got one bad month. That's not going to happen. This is when you back your strategies, you give them room to breathe and tell them that, bro, it's fine. You had a bad month. I'm going to stick with you. It's like a brother of mine. I'm not going to abandon 313. Okay. I've been asked to abandon it. I've been told that, listen, if you would not have taken 313s, your account would have been a lot better. I get that. It would have been, it could have been. But guys, never strategy hop, never abandon your strategy that you know might work in the long run. When you have that data to back it up, when you have those things on your wall like me, I trust my strategies, man. I'm going to die on that hill if that's what it takes, right? Because I have the data to prove it works. Those are all 1 is to 30 trades, 1 is to 30, mind you, risk to rewards. That is proof enough for me to stick to my brother. Okay. So you see my passion, right? I love my strategies because that's my baby right there. I created it from scratch. I'm not going to, you know, abandon it on some fair or in a random street. I hope you guys understand that. Bro, what time is he playing with us? We are in 6:30 candle kickoff. We're playing football, bro. Nidhi, we are growing fast. Look at the subs, bro. I'm happy about you. Nidhi, thanks a lot, man. Guys, the thing about subs is I'm gonna show you this. Okay. Finally, we made $30. Hold on. Refresh, refresh. Wait for it. It's still $30. It usually refreshes every day. That's the first time I'm refreshing today. Okay. So the thing about subs is, guys, we hit 1,000 subs 2 weeks ago. The next 800 subs. So, okay, hold on. So we hit 1,000 subs 2 weeks ago, right? That took 2 months for me doing lives. Doing lives, 2 months, we hit 1,000 finally. In the last 2 weeks, we've hit 800 subs. It took 2 months to get to 1,000, 2 weeks to get to 800. We're going fast, man. I'm very happy. Thanks to you people. You guys like my content. You guys share it. That's amazing, man. You guys watch it. That's all I could ask for. And we're doing great, guys. We're getting better every day. So let me show you. So this haven't gotten out yet. I'm yet to verify my address. I did do something there. I put my last address in because that was in my passport. I moved to a different property in the last 6 months. So in my passport, I haven't changed my address. It's still my previous address. So not to confuse it, I gave the same old address for YouTube. So they're gonna send the pin. So they send a pin to verify your address. They're gonna send it to my old property. I don't know when it's gonna come. I don't know who's gonna get it. So right now I'm in gray area when it comes to YouTube paying me. I don't know. I've talked to the post office. I've given them a heads up about the AdSense pin that's gonna come. They're like, if we receive it, we'll let you know. They haven't let me know yet, so I'm still on the fence on that. So whenever I get that pin, and then after we see $100 here, and then we'll get it out. But right now, it's just fake money for me. Win, man. Let's see. 3 on 3 is awesome, bro. Was analyzing what goes beyond the candlestick. You are a true genius to find it. Thank you, man, Balaji, bro. I'm gonna back it up, guys. Let's see. Oh, the dude has come with a different account. This is fun. I love scammers and spammers, man. Bro, I'm gonna block that account too. Don't worry. Bye bye. User NQ3TV. Come on. Oh, did I hide him on my own channel? Oh shit. Guys, instead of blocking him, I hit him, man. All right. As of my experience, you're the only one trader who speaks English and actually behaves like a trader, but not everyone I see. Thank you, bro. Thank you for saying that. Guess the upper wick was 30 minutes time frame is done. Let's go bearish, I guess. Let's go. What is good morning, bro? What is 313 strategy? I'm gonna put a link for you, man. Don't worry. 313 strategy is just a pattern that I look for. Very straightforward, bro. If you see that 30-second video, you'll understand. Okay. I'm gonna give you that link. Hold on. Copy. I'll paste it on the comments so that it's easier for you guys to get through. Okay. So there you go. Those are my both strategies. Those are my two strategies. You can take a look at it. It's pretty straightforward, people. 630, 630 against us nowadays. Man, today it's pretty good, right? So I don't mind 630 wicking below my stop loss. That's fine. I like that. I actually like that because it has taken people out of the trades who were sitting there with the stop loss. But now I think we're pretty safe in terms of 630. Now it's going to deliver towards the downside, towards our TP. So that's a very good news today. Yesterday, man, that sweep happened beyond us, right? Yesterday's sweep was this. Okay, that was our 313 supply. Okay, 630 blew through us and then came back. Eventually ended up with a 1:11. But man, today, much better scenario, bro. I'm actually liking today's 630, bro. It did not take us out. So I'm happy about today's 630. Uh, Thank you, Daisy, for saying that. Paul is agreeing with you. Yes, money comes today, goes tomorrow, man. Like, what do you call me? But subs mukyam bigile. Thank you for saying that, man. Yeah, guys, listen. Um, even if I had, even if I had 10 people on the stream, I would have been doing what I've been doing. Okay. Even if I could help one person, happy. Even if YouTube didn't pay me much, I would still be doing what I'm doing. All right. So getting paid from YouTube is a sidekick. It's kind of a added advantage, but I'm actually loving the process of actually talking to people, meeting new people, making friends. Guys, trust me, in Discord, I've made more friends in the last 2 months than in the last 10 years of my life. I'm very happy, man. Are you closing the position before BOJ announcement? Yes. Daisy, 100%. 8:45, I'll take this trade off, regardless of where it is. Okay. I'm not going to risk my account for a dumb news. Nope. Who is your mentor? I really admire the way you religiously stick to your TP and stop loss without exiting early. Who taught you to be like that? It makes in the markets, I just can't do it. If I see the profits, I just want to get out. Ray, my experience has been my mentor, man. Guys, I learned from my own experience. I'm very bad at that. Okay. Because as a successful person, if you want to be successful, you follow people who have done it before you. Okay. That's the blueprint. So they've already done it. Follow that person. Try not to do the mistakes that they've done. Okay. That's what you learn from a successful person. Me, dumb, very dumb, bro. I make mistakes. I make a lot of mistakes, but the only difference is I try to correct mine. Okay. If I realize it, when I realize it, I go back and say, okay, I see I've made mistakes. What do? I don't do it again. That's how my experience has taught me not to, take partials, not to go break even. These are all my own past experiences because the number of times I've seen this happen. Look, now the trade went to almost a 1:1, right? Guys, I've seen trade go to almost a 1 to 2.5, come back to break even, and then go to 1:3. So I've seen that happen. So with all that experience that I've got in the last 9 years, I'm like, okay, I don't need break evens because what happens if I miss a 1:3? I'm okay with taking a stop loss because that's the initial risk, right? I'm okay losing a $50, but I'm not okay losing $150 by taking a break even. Or I'm not okay by jumping into trades with green candles or red candles. That's not happening, right? GK trades, I'm doing good, man. How are you? Got out of the market. Ray, man, trust your strategy, bro. It's gonna play out, man. Eventually, it'll come to you, man. Wait for it. Any progress in 25K account? Yeah, man. The progress is wild, bro. From -8%, I've gone back to almost -4%. So doing great, brother. Every single day, we will keep progressing, man. Last 2 weeks have been really good. People who came in the last 2 weeks have been doing wildly good on the channel and the stream. I'm very happy for them, and I know for a fact that I'll get there, but still in the trenches. Why do you risk so low on 25K? Bro, I'm risking only $50 on 25K because I'm below 50% in drawdown. Okay. Usually I would risk 0.4%. Um, After I get back, I'm going to risk 0.4% and upwards. Okay. Good. Oh, good morning became did morning. 3 and 3 strategy on which time frame? 3 and 3 is going to be on 1 minute time frame, bro. Balaji, bro, 3 on 3. Yeah, man, I am looking at it, bro. Don't worry. I'm actually violently looking at it on my phone. So I'll let you know if it shows up, man. Yeah, man, I saw that 3 on 3 Balaji, bro, but it doesn't fit my confidence, bro. Again, one more confidence to add to it, right? I usually risk 1 to 1.5% on eval. Guys, that's wild. I don't want to blow my accounts. So let's say if you risk 1% on your account, right? If you have 10% drawdown, max drawdown, you only have 10 trades before you blow your account. Okay, let me give you an example. What does that look like in real life? Guys, let's say, for example, if I take my account, okay, on the 6th of July, what happened? I got 10 trades, back to back stop loss. 10 trades back to back. I blew my account, okay, by risking 1%. But if I'm risking 0.5%, okay, what does that mean? I get 20 trades in order to blow my account. What happens after? In the same scenario, if I took my account on the 6th of July, I'm not blowing my account because I'll make a glorious comeback because of all this. Can you understand why I'm risking below 0.5%? Guys, trading gods are not always with you. You got to understand that. You are going to get rough patches no matter who the hell you are. Even if you're ICT, even if you're the best Robin's Cup winner out there, you're going to get bad patches in trading. Your job is not to blow your account when you get that bad patch and a rough patch. Okay. That's why I keep saying do not risk more than 0.5% in an account. That will put you in a bad place when you're getting that rough patch. God forbid you won't get it, but when you do, make sure you're not in a position to blow your account. Okay. That's the important stuff, people. Not blowing your account is the first thing you got to do as a trader. And then comes making money out of it. And then comes, getting a Lamborghini and all that stuff. All right. Do not blow your accounts. The trade is going well, so I'm glad for finding your stream. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm I'm glad that you found my stream too. If you were here for the last 2 weeks, you would have loved it. But don't worry, we're gonna do much better in the weeks to come. Hello, bro. First day impressed. I was today. Will take next trade. Please no for re-entry. Shanu, bro, I'll definitely let you know, man. Thank you so much for being here, guys. You guys mean a lot to me. Thank you for 46 likes. I don't know what to say, man. Thank you. How much drawdown do you get on 25K? For mine is a two-step account, bro. So -10% is the drawdown max. Good morning, sir. Daily morning. What times you start the stream? Live timings are right here on the screen, on the bottom. 5:30 Tokyo start. All right. You trade everything in 5 minutes? Nope. This strategy happens in 5 minutes. My 3 on 3 happens in 1 minute. 10 trades are a lot made if you trust your strategy with 1:2. Again, guys, 1:2, 1:3 makes a big difference, right? Um, let's say if you have a rough patch, you're gonna blow your account with 1% or 2% risk for that matter. 313 already formed. Yes, yeah, bro. I saw that. I'm not gonna take it. My confidence doesn't sit with it. No point investing this much time on evals. Listen, bro, I get that. I've been here in evals for the last 3 months. Okay, same accounts. I don't care, man. I'm very happy that I am in the second phase for the last month and a half because I've blown 25 accounts in the last 2.5 years. I'm making progress. This is progress for me. Progress comes to different people's in different levels. For me, wild progress. It took me 2.5 years to pass my first phase. It took me 1 month to almost pass my second phase. I'm in a much better place. It's like YouTube, right? It took me 2 months to get to 1,000 subs. It took me 2 weeks to get to 815 subs. Guys, you're going to progress. Eventually, when you do, you will have all that discipline to get to eval. So, sorry, to get to live phases. When you get to live phases, you're going to take all this discipline that you've built over the 2.5 years of full time trading into the live phase. That's when the money is. That's when you'll do much better than everyone else because you're not going to change anything. I'm not going to change anything when I go to live phases. I'm still going to trade like this. Same risk, 0.5% max on my live accounts. If the account goes back to 5% in drawdown, I'm going to risk 0.2%. That's it. I'm going to be the same guy. So it's not new for me, right? Okay. You got 4 comments. Oh, I'll come back to it. Sorry. YouTube distracted me. So, guys, listen, whatever you do here in your evals, you're going to do this in live. So make sure you're doing the right things in eval so that you're going to continue doing it in live. If you want to just randomly change things up when you get to live, you're going to blow your account. You're not going to be a different person when you get to live. You get the same goddamn person when you were in evals, right? Build the right muscle the right way so that when you get to the big stage of maybe 500,000 or $1 million in funding, you're going to keep that. Okay. The goal is to keep where you are, keep staying where you are and getting better at that space. In order to do that, same rules apply in evals as well as lives. Okay. Take that to your brain. Make sure you're following your discipline. I don't care if it takes me a year to pass this account. I don't care. But when I do pass that account, it's going to help me to get more payouts. It's going to help me to get more funding. It's going to help me to, more importantly, keep that funding, keep that funding for the long term because that's what that matters. Okay. I hope you guys understand that. Um, okay. I asked ChatGPT and it suggested to think like with the futures, you'll be happy with the trade if you exit. Really good suggestion. But looking at the fluctuations of the market, you get anxiety. Right, man. Yeah, I understand that when market does this, you're fearful that you're going to lose the profits. Hey, listen, man, you got to let your trades play out, bro. This trade, this trade took me 2.5 hours. I got a trade a couple of weeks ago, where is it? Yeah, I think this one took 11 hours to get to TP. If I was impatient, if I closed it here, I would have just got a 1:5. Played for the long term. It'll eventually go to you, man. It can play in drawdowns. Don't worry about drawdowns, bro. You're gonna have that, man. Your target is to get to that 1:3, bro. 1:3 is glorious, man. The grass on this side is much greener, my brother. Okay? Stick to your trades, people, regardless of what you see. All right? All right, all right, all right. Too many comments. I'm coming back. Yo, I don't know, man. Everyone else can hear properly, bro. If you can't hear me, close the stream, come back in again. I think that might work. All right. I passed 7 accounts in a row and then I blew 4 accounts. Now I'm going through rough New York session. This is what I say when you risk more, people. Passing 7 accounts doesn't matter if you're blowing all the 7 accounts, right? Good example, bro. GK trade. I like that. How do I train my mind to stay in the trade? Bro, if you can't manually stay in the trade, put that trade on and just close your laptops and phones. If if you're so impatient, and scared to staying in the trade, make it impossible for you to close the trade. Okay, put the phone away, put the laptop away, go do something else, take a walk, go for a run, play something, talk to your family, children, do whatever the hell you want to do, but don't touch your trades. That's it. Guys, now I'm hands off, man. I'm showing this everything to you. See, this trade, hold on, we let it load. Hey, this is how you practice, my brother. Why is it taking forever? For God's sakes, man, load. Sorry, guys. I'm going to do that again. Okay, let's see. Yeah, there you go. Look, Ray, this is for you, man. Listen, that trade I put on, my job is to keep a stop loss. There's a stop loss. And the next job is to keep a take profit. Man, I'm not going to touch this. Okay, I will close the app. This is all I do, man. That's it. Don't touch your trades, guys. Once your trades are in, takes your hands off. I won't touch my trades. That's a discipline you got to build. If you can't watch the trades, don't watch it. You don't have to watch the price action. My younger brother, who I started the channel with, he doesn't watch his trades because he gets anxiety like you, Ray. You don't have to watch your trade, people. If you can't resist the temptation to close the trades in, being greedy and closing the trade in profit, or being fearful and closing your trades in, negative, and trying to save $10 or $20 on that trade, don't do it. Just take your hands off. You're good to go, man. Respect for you, bro, on your discipline. Still a long way from my side. Hell yeah, guys. Can I get in now? It's not in break even, bro. Bro, this trade has 90% win rate. Let's hope 40.85 to break down. Let's go. If Abhishek says so, man, I believe that guy, man, because he called my trade out twice. It went to TP, man. Very good morning, Alan. Hi. Can you explain why 313 setup wasn't taken? I'd like to better understand why I'm not jumping into a trade when if a 313 pattern forms. Thanks. There's one, bro. Remember that one confluence that I haven't disclosed yet? That's why I didn't take it, brother. That one confluence did not match, man. It's coming on Monday. Spoiler alert. I hope you guys get the sound right. 184 watching, all one alike. Sorry, 184 watching, all one like. Oh, thank you. Guys, I'm glad that you guys are watching. That's all I need. Thank you. Can I re-enter? It's up to you people. Listen, it's completely up to you people. I just show you guys what I do. I leave it up to you guys, all right? One step away from the screen. My best trades were when I was not around to mess with them. Exactly. Don't If you don't mess with the trades, if you feel like messing with the trades, don't be around the trades, man. Just leave the screen, go do something else, right? This method worked for only funded accounts, bro. Using my own money for capital, the story is completely different. Which method, my brother? Nidhi, which method are you talking about, bro? I thought you won't come live today, but you're live, mate. Sharath, bro, I'm live, man. I'm live 5 days a week, bro. Guys, again, we have news at 7:45. If you have a trade, if I forget the time, please remind me that it's 7:45. I want to close my trade, okay? I don't want to keep my trade, man. All right, guys. Looking good, man. Abhishek, bro. If you're still here, man, lovely, bro. I love it when he, says it's gonna go and it does go. I take additional confluence from Abhishek, bro. It's fun, man. I love it. Guys, let's do some poll today, man. I want to know something. Let's see if I can do a poll today on the chat itself. Polls are good. I'm actually fine. Sorry, I'm actually having fun with people. How do I do a poll on the chat though? I don't know how to do it, man. Nidhi, bro, help me out, man. All right. Uh, Bro, this method worked on my personal account as well. I would have not touched my personal account. It would have made 600K this year. Congrats, man. Good job, bro. Good money, man. Let's hit this guy with a like. Ronnie, thank you so much. Appreciate it. I'm that trader who closes trade immediately when it enters a profit without an SL, but recently I've learned to chill with a sell because of your lessons on discipline. That that is something that I want to hear. That makes me happy. That makes my soul smile. Trust me. If you could learn discipline from me and keep an SL, protect your accounts, guys, there's nothing more that I ask of you than to understand risk management as well as trading psychology. These are the only two things that I want to preach and save a lot of traders. Guys, this is going to trade you, this is going to save your trading career. Trust me. Once you have the discipline to put a stop loss and not be scared about taking a stop loss, then your life will change, man. 100%. Right now, guys, I have zero emotions on this trade. Zero emotions. I don't care if this goes to stop loss. I don't care if this goes to TP. At the end of the day, people, this is going to be just another trade, just another number on my journal. That's all I think about right now. Okay. I'm just going to enter it. That's it. Whatever happens there happens. Okay. When you get to a point where this becomes a number for you, you'll have peace. You'll have love when it comes to charts. Okay. I'm just afraid I'm gonna sideways all the way till BOJ news. Daisy, it's fine, man. It's gonna be all right, Daisy. Don't worry. It's gonna be good. How can I connect with you, boss? How often do you come live? Daniel, I'm live every day. I'm sorry, 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. You can connect with me in Discord or Instagram. Anything works. Discord link is in description. You can join. People, if you're new here, you're more than welcome to join. We have almost 350 members in Discord. We're growing beautifully, but we're having good conversations in Discord. That is what I love about Discord. And guys, I want to bring back the tradition that I used to have when it comes to Discord. I used to send motivational quotes every morning. For some reason, I've stopped it in the last 2 weeks. Guys, this is Discord, by the way. So here we talk about charts. My analysis also goes in here. See this. This is where I send my analysis and the profits we make as a community. You guys are welcome to join Discord. See, we're printing money here. It's like other people say, printing money. All right, motivation people. I used to send this every day, man. Sherry sent something. I'm gonna show that to you guys, man. That was amazing to see. Look at that, boys. That's a dream to me too, man. What a video. What a, I'm a big fan of Porsche, man. I know Dr. Kumar has one. You guys are amazing. Look at that. What a way to motivate a trader, man. Oh my God, that gives me goosebumps, man. That tail coming up. Cherry, bro, that's how you motivate someone, man. I'm completely motivated right now, bro. Oh my God. All right. Getting back to motivation. So, usually I send something like this. Um, at least I used to. Okay. So, I'm going to send something today. And every day, every morning at 7 a.m., we're going to do this. Okay. Let's bring this back. I'm going to get one for today. Hold on. Hold on. Guys, these are the codes that's helped me on my journey when I started it back in 2017. That's when I went abroad. So I was reading these quotes every single day. So I'm getting it back from my phone. So this is all ancient history. Um, what was the last one I sent? This guy, be thankful for what you have, work hard for what you don't have. That was the last one, right? Let me find that guy and I'll send you the next one I have. Guys, I know the chat is blowing up. Hold on. Hold on, I'm coming back. Where is that guy, man? Oh, there you go. Oh, this is very nice. Okay. Hold on. I'm sending this. I'll come to the chat. Don't worry. Where is it? Motivation. Let's go. So this is today, people. Hold on. There you go. Do not give up. The beginning is always the hardest. 100%. It's always hard to begin something. Once it starts rolling, people, it's going to roll down a huge hill, initially inch by inch. But man, when it gets to a bigger snowball, it's going to roll in such a speed that you can't stop it. Okay. The starting is always the hardest. Keep going, man, people. See, that's a good thing to do in the morning, right? I love it. So every morning at 7 a.m., we're going to do that from here on. Okay. That's fire right there. All right. News, which time today? It's at 8, I think, bro. What time was it? 8 a.m. That's news right now for me. It's 7:06. So we still have what? Sorry, 54 minutes for news. Hopefully this gets to TV before that. If it does, party. It'll be the best week, one of the best weeks we've had. The last week, guys, very successful. 5 days, five take profits, one is to threes, three stop losses with stop hunt. Okay. This week, we've already taken three TPs and I think five stop losses still up for the week. So even by risking just $50, I'm up 127, which is amazing with stop hunt again. It's a whole different story when we're talking about 3 on 3. It's okay. All right. Hey, brother, Rajalakshmi, hi. Welcome. What's the news at 7:45? Bank of Japan, sorry, Bank of Japan is releasing its yearly rates. I think monthly or quarterly, whatever the hell it is. It's like FOMC. Fed releases rates, right? Interest rate decisions. My God, I'm rolling. So Bank of Japan does the same for Japan. It's that news. Where do I get the link for your Discord? It's in the description, my brother. I want to grow with you 100%. Please, you're welcome. You guys can follow me. You guys can learn from me. Don't do the mistakes I've done in the past. It has been a 9 year journey for me. I want you guys to have a 1 or a 2 year journey to get there. All right. I'll be very happy if that happens. Do you use Instagram? Yes, bro, I do. True lines. I'm glad that you agree, bro. Sudeep. Nee, nee kalakutala. Guys, that means, how do I say nee kalakutala in English, man? Go on, leader. Keep going, leader. That's what he said. That's amazing. I love that, man. Boring, boring trading is rich. Mental motivation will die down. Spiritual motivation as a trader is better. Guys, you need these small things. It helps. I know, external motivation is not everything, but it helps me. Trust me, every morning after a live session, I listen to Jim Rohn. I listen to um, Tony Robbins. I listen to Jacko. Jacko Willink. I listen to these guys every day because, guys, you need to listen to successful people every day, on people who've done it before you, to understand what mindset it requires to get there, right? I do it every single day, man. So I hope you guys do it too. All right, Instagram. I'm gonna get that link for you so that you can actually find me on Insta. Guys, I don't have a personal account because I don't do social media. I'm old school. Don't get me wrong. Share profile, copy link. I'm gonna put it in comments so that you guys can join. There you go. That's Instagram right there, people. I don't do personal Insta. I don't have a Facebook account. I don't have Snapchat account. I don't do socials, man. I'm a very secretive guy, bro. It's hard. It's hard to get a hold of me. None of my friends can get a hold of me. I only have a very small group of friends that I connect with. I need a positive energy around me always. I'm very selective when it comes to friends, and that's why I connect with very positive people. Sherry is very positive, Ranjit, and these guys. Majority of you guys are positive. I'm not saying you guys are negative. I'm just saying I love connecting with positive people. You guys are awesome. Sudhir, you're also one of them, man. Dr. Kumar, I can't name everyone, guys. Please don't get me wrong. You guys are all amazing. I love you all. So don't, no partiality here, man. Sudhir, bro, I got your message, man. Guys, It'll be lovely to connect with all of you. But right now, I'm doing lives, all right? All right. Will it be today? There'll be earthquake. Will they release today? I'm not sure, bro, about the earthquake and all that. Bro, did you forget to update TP to 4040, the last trade? Sudeep, bro, I'm not sure what you're talking about. What happened with that last trade? 4040? Which trade, man? BOJ is releasing themselves for USD JPY more stable. Lazy, but they're restricted on funding pips. I'm not gonna risk it. Okay, I'm not gonna risk that trade or my account for that matter. Rocking, you keep rocking. Thank you, people. John, bro, thank you, man. I'm just seeing these messages. Please add your Instagram link to follow you. Thank you, man. This is my first day live. Welcome, welcome, bro, John. I'm happy that you're here, man. I passed my 50K account one step. I was risking too much. I'm struggling with my second step. Guys, have simple set of rules. Keep following them throughout your trading journey, man. Don't change those rules just because you're having your funding phase or you're in your life phase. Nope. Keep your life simple, man. If you have one set of rules and you keep following it day in, day out, your life becomes a lot simpler, man. It's easier for you to follow those rules if you're doing it day in and day out. If you keep changing your rules, if you're risking 2% someday, 1% someday, 0.3% on other days, it's going to feel like you're not going anywhere. You're thinking too much about these rules that's putting you, you under more pressure. Don't do all that, people. Good evening from here. Hola, hi. Thank you for all you do. You're welcome, man. I'm glad, bro. Thank you for being here, bro. Can you explain your stop on strategy? Sharad, bro, have you checked out the link that I've put on the, what do you call, the chat? Really, will be really helpful, man. You keep rocking. Josh, thank you, man. Guys, we've got 76 likes. Appreciate it, man. How are you all? Um, Hope you're also one of your good friends. Patel ji, listen, bro, you're one of my best friends. Don't worry. Guys, I cannot name everyone. There are tons of people that I haven't named. Don't get me wrong. I love you all right? Equally. I don't, I'm not a partial person. I don't do partiality. I used to have a company for personal development programs. Dr. Kumar sir, that's amazing, man. Bro, did you watch Spider-Man movie? I'm going today. Nidhi, bro, my wife is not here. She'll kill me if I do it alone. Okay? She'll literally kill me, man. So she'll be here the week after. So not this week, not the week after, the week after that. So a couple of weeks after I'll watch it, man. But once you watch it, bro, Nidhi, bro, hit me up on Insta, man. Tell me how it was, okay? I have most of my international trainers. Oh, that's nice. I took 70% profit risking on BOJ News. Let's try. Daisy, don't gamble. Can you tell you strategy, bro? I have the strategies. Excuse me. The strategies are linked down on the chat. Please take a look at it. 30 seconds. That's it. If you have doubts after looking at that, I'll definitely, explain. Okay. Don't get me wrong, because the regular people who come here have heard that strategy at least 1,000 times. I don't want to offend those people. Last one before you live. I'm talking about the last TP was 4040. You're waiting for till 9 a.m. Yeah, man. I took that TP, bro. See this one? I took a TP last trade, bro. Sudhir, see that? So we were doing lives until 9 a.m. I think yesterday, somewhere here. Price did a small pullback and then eventually went to TP. Bro, I took that TP, man. I did not update anything, bro. It was just a 1:3 that I was looking for. Did it. And I also shared it on Discord, didn't I? Didn't I share that, bro? Analysis and the TP. See? Yesterday. And then the profits. Where was it? Yeah, this is yesterday, right? So 2,721 pips. Uh, See? 2,721 pips. Can you see that? Right here. I also updated that on the screen, as everything that we do here is transparent. I don't have anything to hide, man. I'm an open book, people. Ramesh, bro, I'm sorry, man. I don't understand Tamil, bro. I can't read Tamil. I'm a Tamilan. I'm sorry to say that, but bro, you have such an incredible humor, bro. Thank you. You forgot to mention me. Just kidding. Guys, listen. I love you all the same way, okay? Do you live stream Tokyo session only? Absolutely. I only do Tokyo sessions. I'm not here anytime else. I only trade Tokyo sessions. That's it. I've met Anthony Robbins and done Firewalk to overcome fear. Oh my God, you've met Anthony Robbins? Bro, Dr. Kumar, I'm jealous of you right now. Guys, Tony Robbins, if you don't know who he is, let me show you. Tony Robbins is one of my oh sorry, not Tony and Guy. Sorry. Not Tony and Guy, Tony Robbins. Is is God for me, man. This guy, I've read six of his books. Okay. I think he has almost eight to ten. I've read six of his books, man. Big fan of Tony Robbins. Man, what a human being, what a person. Love him, bro. Love him to my core, man. Huge fan. I'm very jealous of you that you've met Tony Robbins, Dr. Kumar. I'm very jealous. Raj, bro, hi, man. Welcome, people. Is this your Telegram? Telegram? Bro, I don't use Telegram, bro. I use Instagram, man. Means very good morning. Okay, Josh, thank you for translating that. Um, I went to a central government school, so they taught me Hindi instead of Tamil. Apologies. So, Iniye Kale Valakam. Iniye Kale Valakam for you too, bro. That's what I said in Tamil. Very good morning. I followed you on Instagram, bro. Thank you, man. Lovely, guys. 4 new followers. Awesome. Welcome, people. We've hit 250 followers on Insta. Oh, wow. Guys, I'm doing Insta because my elder brother told me to. Otherwise, I wasn't too interested in Insta because I'm more than happy doing YouTube lives and all that. I'm just doing it because he told me to. Yeah, man. But I'm still active there. Don't worry. Awaken the Giant Within, one of my favorite books. Trust me. Dr. Kumar, have you read it? I have read it. I think twice. That's great. You learned Hindi. Now you can survive rest of India. Yeah, bro. Very helpful, man, in India. If you know Hindi, guys, it's very helpful in India. Trust me. I am the 151st person. 151st person. Bro, welcome. Thank you for being the 151st. Sorry, 251st. 251st, to be correct. So, what's good to have funded account or personal accounts? Guys, I think having both is the way to go. Initially, don't waste your money onto a personal account. Get a 5K funded. If you're a new trader, guys, get a 5K funded account. Understand the rules. Risk 0.2% when you're new. Okay. Try to pass the account. Eventually, you'll do it. When you do it, and then you can go to higher accounts. So 25, 50, 100, 150K accounts. Get to those accounts. This is the blueprint I'm talking about. Okay. Have a live 100 or 150K account. Okay. Get payouts from those accounts and then invest in your own personal capital. Do not waste your own capital into personal funding initially, at least, because you'll blow 100% of your capital if you're doing that. But if you're doing a 5K, let's say, you're only risking what, $80. Was how much is a 5K account? I'm not sure. If it's $80, that's only how much you're losing. But if you have, let's say, $10,000, for example, if you lose your account completely when you're a beginner, which you will, which you might, hopefully you won't. In that case, you're losing $10,000 instead of 80 or $100. So always have funded accounts, take payouts, make personal accounts. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm trying to do. That's what I will do. I'll show you guys. My goal is to have $1 million to $2 million in funding from prop firms and take payouts. At least have $250,000 of personal account funding. When I get there, guys, I'll make sure 4 generations to come after me is set. 4 generations. Okay. That's a dream. Not saying anything else. Dreams are good to have. Always have goals. Getting 200K, sorry, getting 25K funded right now is the goal of mine. This 25K account that I'm trading right now is the first goal on the step to settling my six generations. Okay. Always have dreams, people. Can you buy from 4078? 40, I have no clue. I'm going to trade. I'm waiting for it to get to TP. That's all I'm worried about right now. YouTube is amazing, bro. It's always helped to learning. Exactly, man. YouTube is much better, bro. Instagram, I think, is it's too distracting for me, man. Too much fake things going on in Instagram. Lots of AI videos nowadays, man. It's getting to my nerve. I don't like fake things and fake people. Good morning, KJ in the house. Let's go. Bro, I'm not buying from this level, man. I'm actually looking forward for price to get to 4072, man. Super dream, bro. You need 500 CR for that. Bro, even if it's 10,000 CR, bro, I'm ready for it, man. I have the work ethic for it. I have the discipline for it. I'll keep going towards it. If I reach it or not, that's the next 60 years to decide, right? I'm healthy. I think I'll hopefully live for at least another 50. So 500 CR is not a huge thing, man. Don't worry about it, guys. People in India have got above 10,000, 500,000, bloody 1 lakh CR, man. So thank you, bro. Such an amazing person. Love you. Been following you from both IDs. Thank you. Sudeep, bro. Love you too, man. You guys are amazing. Hold on. Lots of love. My dream is to make 100K per month for 1 year. Venom, bro, you'll get there, man. Break it down into smaller goals. That's a beautiful dream to have. Listen, it's highly attainable. When you have, don't think about 100K as big money, people. Do not think about 100K as big money. I haven't made it. Don't worry. Don't get me wrong. I'm telling you how to break it down into smaller goals, okay? 100K is a month is not big because let's say if you have $10 million dollars in funding, t- let's say you have $10 million dollars in funding, you've made it to that stage, okay? What is 100K? Is it 1% or 0.1% of $10 million? Dollars? I'm bad at math. Can you tell me? Out of $10 million, dollars, what is 100K? Is it zero point 0.1 or 1%? 10 million, 10% is 1 million, 100K is 1%. 1%, right? Yep, there you go, 1%. All you need is 1% of, excuse me. All you need is 1% a month to get to 100K a month from $10 million. Dollars. So, guys, your goal is to get to the funding levels. Getting to 100K is not that hard. You can make 1% a month. The problem is your funding level. If your dad was loaded with $10 million dollars sitting in your bank account, you can get 100K a month easily, man. As a trader, guys, you can make it. I'm not saying too easy, but if you have the discipline, you can make it, right? It's possible. That's what I'm saying. Don't think about 100K as a huge thing. Break it down into smaller goals. Okay, 100K, what do I have to do? First, let me fast my 50K account. All right, that's the first step. All right, let me get a payout. Perfect. Let me get other accounts with that payout. Other 100Ks and other 500Ks with that payout. Okay, now get to a funding of $1 million. Perfect. You get there, pass all that funding. Now you have $1 million. 1% from $1 million is what? $10,000 on a single trade. That's it. Bro, I risk 0.4% per trade. This trade is running with 0.4% risk. If this goes to full TP, that's 1.2% per trade. Per trade, I'm talking. So imagine the possibility that you can do with your life. So, guys, do not shy away from goals. Have wild dreams, man. Have dreams so wild that other people will call you crazy. This is not from me, this is from other people, okay? I've heard so much that now this is, you know, stuck to my brain. Your dreams will only be dreams if it's impossible for other people to think about. For me, if you hear my dreams, guys, you'll think I'm a crazy ass person to have all those dreams. Guys, You should have those dreams for a reason because you're running to those dreams, man. Make sure you run every day, run faster, run better. One day, even if you don't get to those dreams exactly, you'll be 80% there, 70% there. And that would be huge. All right. Hopefully you'll get there. But even if you don't, you're much better than where you were, man. Rafael is here, man. Hi, good morning. Ola, I think, said something, bro. I think I missed a couple of messages. Bro, did I miss a couple of messages? Hi, bro. Manoj from Sri Lanka. Hi, man. Welcome. I think I heard something from Ola, bro. Did I miss your message, bro, Ola? Oh, good evening. Okay, I did see that message. Sorry, man. I thought I missed your message there. Olu, hi. Good morning. I'm doing good today, man. How are you? We're talking about goals and dreams, man. I'm very happy. I'm currently a CA final student. My exam due in 3 months, but I want to earn some money as well. But I trade. I can't study. If I study, I can't trade. I'm married and also have a house to look. Pratik, bro, it's amazing that you're studying for your CA exam. What I would suggest for you is stop trading now. Focus on your CA exam, okay? That's the first step. Clear the exam. Stop everything else. Focus. Clear the exam. Get a job, okay? This is the steps, man, for you. My advice, if you ask my advice, I'll give it to you, okay? Get a job, go to that job every day, 8 hours spent for that job, give you 100%. Come home, 2 hours daily, man, study trading. 2 hours every single day. Even if you can't trade live, just keep studying it, keep doing back testing. Once you get that confidence, try to get time to do it live. Once you start making more money from trading than your actual job, then quit your job, then come to full time trading, my brother. This is the blueprint. You're very, very young. You'll get there, man. Hi, bro. Good night. I'm new. Is that good night? Welcome. Hi, Kujo. Sujo Kujo. I like that name, man. Is that a nickname or a company name, my brother? Good morning, Bas Patterson. Hi. Yesterday, $30 loss. I want to recover that today. Give me a tip. Bro, I don't have a tip for you, man. If you lost yesterday $30 and if you want to get that back today, I'm not the person for you today. I mean, I'm not the person for you any day, man. I don't do revenge trading, guys. Listen, this is revenge trading at its core. If you want to get back the money, bro, you're in the wrong industry, man. It will take more from you if you want to get that money back, okay? Forget about yesterday, man. Focus on what you can do today and get better, okay? Yesterday is the past, bro. That's revenge trading right there, my brother. Apologies, man. My success was reading a lot self-help books rather than any MBA or doctorate. Dr. Kumar sir, 100% agree with you, man. Guys, it's almost 7:30, 15 minutes. Wherever this trade is, I'll close it in 15 minutes, okay? That's my word. I'm not going to risk my account, man. Pratik, bro, you're welcome, man. Pursuing CA after getting married is risky challenge, bro. Listen, guys, take risk any time of your life, man. Guys, I'm 31, okay? I'm doing this full time. What do you think? I have a family, man. This is the best risk that you can take with your life, but trust me, one day it's going to pay off. When it pays off, bro, you're going to change your family's life, okay? Take the risk, but do it with systematic calculation. Do it with a plan in mind. Don't just blindly jump into the sea. Have goals, have to dos that you have to complete every day. You know, keep it simple and keep going with towards the goal. You know, that's how you do it, man. Slowly, views getting bigger. Congrats. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. You might lose another 60 today. If you need tips to recover, just write off that money. Take it from GK Trading. He's amazing. That's the best advice that you can get, bro. Ajesh, bro, all the best for your journey, man. Bro, how can I overcome emotional issues on trade? I always make profit on a trade, but before the trade, I close and lost all that, even my capital too. Olu, bro, listen, it won't come in a day or two, okay? It's going to take time, bro. Keep practicing it. Have rules or not to close your trade prematurely. If it's running right now, If there is not a news like today, I'll never close my trades. Only two chances of me closing a trade or putting a break even is one is news, and the next one, excuse me, next one if price takes TP in spot chart, but it hasn't tapped me in my futures prop firm account. That's the only time I'll think about going break even. Sorry. Other than that, guys, listen. You keep practicing these things. It won't happen in a single day. Olo, bro, it's fine. You're going through that, man. It's a phase of trading, boy. Listen, it will come to you. Keep practicing. Keep going, bro. You'll get there, man. You're on the right track, bro. You're actually executing trades. You're looking at profits. You're doing good, man. Keep going, bro. You got this. Have the rules, follow it. That's it. Guys, yesterday is done. Your job is to be better than who you were yesterday. That's it. Don't compare yourself to others. Don't think that, okay, Arvind is holding on to his trade every day. He's better than me. Don't think about me like that, okay? Think about me like David Goggins. That guy, have you heard of David Goggins, guys? David Goggins. Oh, absolute love. I've read both of his books. Wait, does he have another book? No, that's a workbook. Okay. Guys, read both of his books, man. If you haven't read, this is Bible, bro. For me. I've read both of his books twice. Big fan. David Goggins is a hardcore individual, man. It's the mentality of his I love. Okay. If GK Trade has read it. Awesome. Listen, guys, bro, I don't do NASDAQ, man. It's all gold here, man. Yes, lovely book. Yeah, see, people have read it. Only, bro, read his book, get his mindset. You just have to be better than yourself from yesterday, man. That's it. Bro, to say a story in short, David Goggins was a 300 LB individual who's huge. Okay, he was a huge person back then. Uh, Images. So you see this ripped guy, he wasn't this guy always. Okay, he used to be like this. He used to be this person. He went through hell to become David Goggins today, man. You guys have to get to know his story. What a story. He fought through obesity. He fought through his own mind trying to kill himself. His dad was a monster. He fought through racism. He came through all of that, became a Navy SEAL. He's one of the top influences in US today. Absolutely love that guy. Dr. Kumar said, I'm so pissed right now, man. You've met David Goggins, bro? Bro, come on. I'm envious. I'm jealous. I'm pissed all at once. And man, I'm a big fan of his. Bro, you've lived your life. You're living your life. I hope you live another 40 years and you meet other people, man. You're amazing, bro. Brother, love from Pakistan. I love the way you explain. I've been following you for the past 3 days. Bro, thank you so much, man. Means a lot to me, bro. Thank you. Don't close, leave it to TP. I assure you. Abhishek, bro, I love you, man. Yeah, the last time you said when it will go to TP, man, it did. You're amazing, bro. Hopefully it does before 8:45 because I'm gonna close that before the news. So when is the news? Sorry, that's not the news. Oh, did they change the timings? Did they change the timings? Now it shows 8:20 a.m., man. Guys, can you double check? Have they changed the timings for the news? Because right now, let me refresh this again. Yes. Now it shows 8:20. We still have more time. So I can let this run until 8:20. At least 8 for that matter. Let's see. If this goes to TP before Newsman, I'll be very happy, bro. Let's see, guys. Dr. Kumar, sir. What's up, bro? KJ. Hi, man. Welcome, welcome. A lot of motivational talk today. I love getting motivated, man. Internally, externally, any way that I can get, I'll take it. Um, and Dr. Kumar, sir, I have another thing. I told you, right? The book. Oh, again, I forgot the name. The Field of Diamonds. The Oh God, help me out. T10. Yellow. Hello. 2 minutes. I'm getting called down for tea. Um, all right. Okay. Okay. Hold on. So the book, I'm not going to get it because they've canceled the book twice. They keep. I've never had this experience with um, Amazon. Twice it happened. They told me that they delivered the book, but I didn't get it. The next time they said they'll do it, but it's been a week. I haven't got the book, so I canceled the book. I'm going to read that book online. I thought I'll get that physical book and read it because I love reading physical books. I used to read a lot of physical books, but I stopped a while ago. So I'm going to read that from today. Digitally though, how how do you say that? Just know how to confirm. Okay, good question though. Vivek bro, can you explain? That news does not affect the gold, bro. That is JPY. We are in gold. Bro, it's Tokyo session. It might. I don't want to take chances, man. I have seen news affect JPY news affect gold before. Like, I'm not sure when, but I'm pretty sure I've seen it. I don't want to blow my account, man. Bro, I've done too much work for this account. I don't want to blow this, man. Um, you see that? That's a lot of work, man. I almost passed this, as you guys know the story. I was $2 away from passing this goddamn account. Ah, I hate myself for it. Most of you guys know the story. Look at that. The profit target for this account was 26,150. I was $2 away from passing this. I prematurely closed my trade thinking the profit target was 26,000 even. I didn't know I had to get 26,002. Sorry, 26,250 was the target, right? Was it 150, 250, whatever, man. I prematurely closed this thing. That day should have been the day, but after then, it's been a spiral. But fight back is here. Redemption. So I will not risk all that work to go to waste. I will keep fighting people. 26,250, I think. I think I was, whatever, man. I was short a bit. If I let that trade run, I would have passed that day. I didn't let that trade run thinking I hit the target. Damn me. All right. I used to work for a company in Sydney, meet most international motivators. That's awesome. I wish I worked for such a company, Dr. Kumar. While working out at the gym, listening your motivation talk, it's inspired. Bro, thank you, man. You're working out as well as trading at the same time and listening to my ass. That's awesome, bro. Oh, I was supposed to go to tea. Okay. Is it, bro? I'm hearing for the first time, bro. Yeah, Nidhi, bro, it happened, man. I don't want to risk my account. All right. We'll be back after tea. God. Okay. Was that big trade 3 on 3? Big trade. Oh, yes. Um, oh, the trade that I no, 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 no. I saw that I was in a trade. I saw that was news was coming. We did actually get out of that trade because of the news. Price moved wildly. I still don't remember which way, against me or with me. I don't care. I saved my account that day, so I don't play with news, guys. News always waste planning. You're completely true. Yeah, bro. So there, I don't play with news. Okay, guys. I'll be back to those questions. I'll take my tea break now because I want to be back before 8 a.m. hits. I want to close this trade manually if it hits before TP. Okay. I'll be back in 10 minutes. All right. See you in a bit. Yeah.
That is nice.
Back, people. What is happening? Oh my God, I'd hate to miss this TP completely, man. Um, how much time do you have? God, I hate this. Can they push it even further? Refresh it again and again. It's 8:20 a.m., guys. So I'm gonna still hold this until maybe 8:05. 15 minutes. Let's see if this hits TP, man. I'll be very happy. KJ, man, I think that $2 gap was ready to make you learn. Maybe if you could have passed, what if you could not learn that much that you've done in the past weeks? Learned in this journey. Hats off to you. I could have passed $2. If you could have passed $2, maybe you could not learn that lesson much, right? KJ, I just saw your message, man. Sorry. If you're still here, bro, absolutely right. Guys, that $2, okay, he nailed that point, man. Well said, brother. That $2 when I didn't pass it, so that was back here, right? This was the trade which ran up to, and then I closed it prematurely. Okay. After that, I did get a couple of trades, but I revenge traded. I'm going to admit it. I revenge traded and lost $300 in the matter of 5 minutes. Okay. To get to that $2. God, it happened. Okay. But the learning from that experience was the fact that Ash, we implemented Ash into our mix, and look at how successful we've been in the last month. Because without Ash, the month prior, we only had five take profits, five take profits for the whole month. Look at this. After introducing Ash into the mix with stop ons, 14 take profits, guys. I'm very happy that I didn't pass that account. I'm very happy that we've I've discovered Ash. Bro, KJ, you still here? Thank you, man. You said it. You nailed that comment. The lessons from that, I think I could not have imagined if I wasn't in that situation of being in drawdown. I would not have figured out Ash, man. Ash was something that I saw randomly that happened in the last month, implemented it just after 2 months of backtesting. Bro, it's been a godsend for me, and you guys are loving Ash. This is almost an Ash. Yeah, this is an Ash trade too. So, man, we are all successful because I did not pass my account. I, I hope, I hope you guys get to appreciate that. Have the tree, bro. We're already here. Thank you, man. KJ, thank you for saying that, man. काय लगता है मार्केट रीटेस्ट करेगी entry point को? But next year, bro, I'm not sure if the market is going to retest at this point. Let's see. Please reply. What is your idea on taking partials in the mid of the trade? Oh, sorry, man. I didn't see that. Did you? Okay. That's the first message from you. Hi, bro. Uh, Dilshan, right? For me, I don't believe in partials, bro, because listen, I have a decent win rate, 30 to 40% win rate usually, but good months, I get upwards of 60%. Good months, okay? It varied, it fluctuates between months. So if I'm having a 1:3 risk to reward, okay, full TPs, I'm talking about full TPs with the 35% win rate, I'm positive for the month, okay? The reason why I don't take partials is this. So if I'm taking partials at a 1:5, in this case, what is price at right now? It's almost at a 1:2, right? So let's say if I'm getting a partial here, I'm not going to get the whole 1:3, bro. I'm not going to get the whole 1:3. So the math will not math. You understand what I'm saying? So your dream of being profitable with just a 40% win rate won't be a dream anymore, man. You won't be profitable because you've cut short that risk to reward into maybe on average a 1:2 or a 1:1.5. Now the 30% win rate won't work as it would on a 1:3 risk to reward. So the reason why I don't take partials is because for my strategy and my style of trading to work, I need the whole 1:3. That is the only area. I can survive. Look at this. This month, I've got a 35% win rate on the stop hunt strategy, stop hunt and ash strategy. For this to be successful, I need the whole 1:3s. Okay. Look, so if I was risking actually, okay, 14 wins, right? If I was with normal risk, if I was, in break even or above in profits, this would have been the normal risk. 14 into 3, what does that make me? 14, 30, 42. 42 risk to reward, right? 42. I lost 25 trades, which is $100 each. So $4,200 in profit, $2,500 in negatives. What does that give me? Equal to this minus this. 17. I will be $1,700 up just because I waited for my whole 1:3 TPs. I hope that makes the things much clearer for you now. Taking partials is not wrong or bad, but if you have a much higher win rate strategy, it will perfectly work for you. But for someone like me with almost a 36% win rate, I have to stick to my 1:3s. Okay, I can't I can't goof around with my TPs, man. I'm a guy who's patient enough to see a grass grow, like how David Goggins says. I will see this grass grow to its fullest, or if there is a news, I'll close it. Okay, I hope that is clear. Okay, okay. Um, bro, that's why I'm afraid of sideways. Let's wait, Daisy. It's not done yet. We still have maybe 5 more minutes and then I'll close the trade. That's it. What does Ash mean? Ash is the aggressive stop on zones. Okay. I haven't made a video on that. It's smaller zones. Don't worry, I'll make a video on that soon. This Sunday, I'll be done with all the works from the course. So finally, I'll be free of the course. And then I'll start focusing on YouTube videos again. I will make Ash videos to make it easier, simpler, and all that stuff. Don't worry, guys, it's coming. Next week, I'll definitely have a video out for you. I'll put it down on the links too so that it's easier for you guys. All right. Newly joined, not sure what Ash stands for. Hardik, bro, don't worry, man. Ash is aggressive stop on zones, man. Stop on zones. There is the link in the description. Sorry, in the comments. You can check out stop on zone video. Ash is just smaller zones. Okay. Hi, Atif. Hi, bro. Tokyo idea क्या है? Why short? Oh, trade idea क्या है? Okay, I will explain this trade for you once. See this? Price came down, made a low. Okay, price went up. But this wasn't convincing for me to call it stop hunt. This would have been stop hunt, but this low was bigger than that. All right, so that for me is an ash zone. When price makes a low or a high, it becomes an ash zone for me. All right. What did price do? Oh, sorry. What did price do when it came there? So that was the candle that broke through. Okay. Next, so we wait for the second candle to see what price wants to do. Second candle was a strong down closing candle. Went short, stop loss 100 pips above the breaking candle. Somewhere here, TP is a fixed 1:3. That's it. I keep my trade simple. There are a couple of entry confluences that I look for. It'll be out Monday. All right. As simple as that, people. No complications. I've been doing this for the last 3 weeks, wildly successful with Ash. Even stop hunt is actually pretty good. So I'm happy. It's illegal to trade XAUUSD in India. Out of curiosity, how are you trading it? Please don't mind me asking the question. Sahana, listen, no question is a bad question. You can ask me anything. I'm going to give you an honest answer. This, if you're trading this in a personal account, that's illegal. Okay. So if you're trading gold or other currency pairs, if it's not INR pair in a personal account in India, that's considered illegal. But if you're trading this pair in a prop firm account, meaning a funded account, these are companies that give you capital to trade. At least they give you demo accounts to prove that you can trade in those companies, in those accounts. It's 100% legal to trade. Do not worry if you're in India. Okay. Sana, you can ask, you guys, listen, if you have a question, 172 people are here. Any question you can ask me. Okay. Your question might help someone else. So don't be shy, man. Thanks, bro. Love you. Great explanation. Thank you, man. Sorry, you're welcome, man. It's news time, bro. Yeah, man. Man, I want this to go to full TP, bro, because my account is doing so good now after all that drawdown, bro. What's the time? So right now it's 8 a.m. All right, where's the calendar? Bro, the news is at 8:20, okay? I'll let it run until 8:05. 5 more minutes, man. I want this TP, bro. I want this TP so badly, man. 5 more minutes, please. Thank you so much. You're the best. You're welcome. Thank you for being here, people. Always my pleasure. Bye. Yahan bhai banta hai yasel. Bro, right here, whatever anything can happen, there is as known here. But when I'm in a trade, guys, I don't look for anything else. I wait for that trade to complete. And I'm still waiting. You're trading on instant account. No, bro, this is a two-step 25K two-step standard account. This is the second step. I like your journals. Can you use some tips about journals? Can you give some tips about journals? Guys, this journal that you guys see, you see this, okay? I've given that for free in Discord. Come here to start adventure. There you go. That's the journal, guys. You can use this journal. It's out there in Discord. If you haven't, excuse me, if you haven't joined Discord yet, please go ahead and join. That's the journal. That's the strategies. That's frequently asked questions. What's my name? I'm Arvind Rangaswamy. Okay, you guys can call me Arvind. I'm from Chennai. So you can go through frequently asked questions. It's pretty handy for those who have joined Discord today. Welcome, people. All right, guys. 2 more minutes. I'll close this trade. All right, wherever it is, I won't care. I'll close it because we don't mess with news. Never. All right. Doesn't show any time for the news. Yeah, bro. That's why I checked it in Funding Pips economic calendar. It said 8:20. So I'm gonna trust that the news is gonna come at 8:20. Let's see. All right. You are a machine. Thank you. Yo, that's a great compliment because to be trading emotionless like a machine is the the best quality you should have as a trader. Because when you get emotions in this right now, if you're thinking, oh my God, I just have 2 minutes, what happens if price goes back to break even or stop loss before I close it? Why don't I close it now? So those are emotions, right? So when you have rules, just follow them to the T. Being a machine is something that I want to be someday, but I do have emotions, man. Even now, my brain is like, I don't. Why don't you just close this trade? Because what happens if that happens, right? So first time watching your stream, just subscribed you. Thank you so much. Love it. Welcome to the stream. Happy to have you guys. Why you can't take Funny Pip zero account, guys? I wanted to show the community, and I wanted to show the people who come after 2 years to see that I've come from the bottom bypassing two-step accounts initially. Okay, this is the story I want to tell after 2 years. So I'm thinking ahead. So the blueprint I'm going to give people when I make it to that level is that get a small account like 25K or a 5K account or a 10K for the matter. Pass that two-step account. I'm saying two-step account. Pass both the accounts. Then get to the funding stage. Buy other accounts with the payout that you get. So this is the blueprint I want to give to people. So I want to be an example who actually did that blueprint. You see Arvind here, he will execute whatever he says. That's what I want people to think of when they think of me. Okay. I've walked the walk, I've talked the talk. So that's what I want to be. So, guys, wherever this ends up, I'm going to close it with you. Okay. 9 seconds. Where is C Trader? All right, people. This might go to TP, it might not, but that's me. Thank you so much. We took the trade off because of news. I never do it, but news candles, I can't trust them. I can't blow my account. Right now, my account is at well over 5% in drawdown. I'm actually getting closer to my buffer that I'm building. After this, I'll go back to my original risk, which is $100. So that's a TP for today, man. We ended at that trade with a 1 is to 1.85. Okay. I couldn't help it. There's news. So I hope you guys do not hold on to that. I don't want you guys to blow it. Guys, sometimes, again, I'm going to wait for next 10 minutes and see what's going to happen. But sometimes, so this is where I closed it so that you guys know where I closed it. Okay. Sometimes there'll be no reactions. Sometimes news will come, news will go, no reaction. Majority of the times, there will be wicks on both sides. Okay. When that happens, if you get caught on the wrong end, you're going to blow your account. And when funding pips find out that you held on to a trade while there was news, which is restricted like this, you see this? It's called restricted. So if you do something like that, they are going to blow your account. Be very careful, trade responsibly, don't blow your accounts. Okay, so what was I going to say? The instant accounts are good. I might think about it later on, but right now my focus is to pass this two-step account successfully. Where does it come from? Sorry, where does it come from? Like your inspiration. Who's more organized in your family? Oh, Balaji, bro, you're asking who's more organized like me? It's just me, man. I'm a control freak. I want things to be set in a certain way, certain place. See, that's my phone holder, man. I have, I have things like these, bro. So I don't know who else has it in my family, bro. Balaji, bro, good question. I'm just, I'm just built like that, man. I want things a certain way. I want to things keep things clean, organized. I don't like things laying around on my desk where I work. Back in my corporate days, people would be dumbstruck to just look at my workspace. I don't even have wires in my workspace. Usually, people have keyboards and wires in the workspace, right? I hate wired keyboard, bros. So what I do is I bought a keyboard with my own money and took it to office. Okay, I had a wireless keyboard on my desk because I hate wires. People would be people would call me insane, man. I like it squeaky clean. It's just me, bro. So I don't know. I'm just like that. So I'm just built like that. Good question, bro. I am weird, aren't I? All right. Hey, bro. Thank you so much. I'm a fan of you. I'm a fan of you now. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. I love you guys. Thanks, bro. Another win for the day. There we go. Guys, we're stacking wins right here, man. Look at this. This is this week. We've successfully completed another week of profits. That's 1.85 best to reward. That's the first time I'm putting a 1.85 best to reward. Look at this. Look at all this. This is the prior data. I don't take break evens or partials, right? Look at all this data, man. That's the first time something like that came through. That's a TP, boys and girls. That's how much was it? So history, that's $86 plus 8, 6. There you go. Guys, the win rate for this month, I think we might take another trade today, depending on what happens after the news, because the news ends up at 8:20. All the restrictions will be off after 8:30, I think. I will look for other trades between 8:30 and 11 because 11 there's another news. Look at this. BOJ conference. The hell with it. So, but right now it'll be interesting. Right now it'll be interesting to see what happens with the 8:20 news. I'm going to wait and see what happens, okay? All right. You did right, bro, because news is news. Sudhir, bro, thank you for saying that, man. Booked 100%. Thanks for the trade. Prasad, bro, welcome, man. Congrats, people. Congrats on taking that. Bro, if you're if you're doing trade and funding pips, I am doing trade and funding pips now. Hey, bro, good morning. Manpreet, hi, good morning. COD helps you. COD is helping you. Balaji, bro, true, man. Um, my COD actually helps me. Love from Istanbul. Hi. Thank you for. I think you're the first person from Istanbul. Do we have anyone else from Istanbul, people? Thank you. Lovely. Love from India, Chennai. What do you think of thinking stacking trades on the running trades? Saramna, bro, it's good. So I did actually read something in terms of stacking trades. Okay. So that person I was looking at was actually suggesting this. So he said, once your trade runs to a 1:1, enter another lot. Maybe if you're, let's say, for example, if you have the trade on, this trade on with one lot, example. He told me to enter. So if where is 1:1? So this is what I read, okay? I didn't do it, but you guys tell me what do you think, okay? So this is 1:1, correct? He said enter another same lot size. So 1:1 again in that same 1:1 area. And oh sorry, short. And for the original trade, for the first trade, put that trade in break even and put this trade's loss at the break even point. So now you have two trades running and your TP is going to give way more. So this is a 1:3, the initial trade that's running. And the next trade that you added on will give you a 1:2. So that's almost a 1:5 on a trade that you usually take a 1:3 in. You guys tell me what you think, okay? Two trades on, when price gets to 1:1, you add another lot, break even the first trade, and then put your stop loss at the break even point of the second trade, right? I thought it was very, very interesting. I didn't do it though. Oh, right. I just peeked on your video, man. Best things happens in the month July. Yeah, bro. We had a great month in July, man. And also May was amazing. Look at this. May was mind blowing for me, bro. I made 10% in May, bro. One single month we made 10%. This is before Ash was added, guys. Listen, there is potential to make a lot of money here. So we'll see, man. I'm having my fingers crossed for next month. I can't wait to get to next month, bro, because I'm gonna reset this whole thing because next month starts at 3rd of August. It's a reset for the month. I love it. I love it. Oh my god. Oh, I hate news, bro. I hate news. It's going. You're gonna miss a 1:1 here. That's fine, man. Guys, rules are rules. We follow our rules. Sir, how long have you been avoiding the trading during major news events? Is it good idea to avoid for 15 minutes before and 15 minutes after the news? Yes, sir. Patel, bro, it's very good practice to avoid 10 or 15 minutes prior. I like to be very, very safe because this could easily been that towards the upward, right? That candle would have been easily this candle, like that. So I don't want that happening. I want to stop trading 15 minutes before the news. It's a good practice to have. I suggest you guys do it too. Can you please share blank chart so that we can use as well? Blank. Yes, I have shared it. Guys, again, in Discord, when you get to Discord, guys, go to Start Adventure. You see this on the left? Start Adventure, scroll up. That's my trading journal template. Okay, you can download this. I don't charge anything for it. Completely free, people. Bro, I'm checking the news in Funding Pips. This is fundingpips.com. It's under the news tab on the left. Okay, right there, 8:20 a.m. BOJ policy rates. That's what I'm checking, brother. All right. I'm from Sri Lanka. Darshan, bro. Bro, remember the famous cricketer Dilshan? Were you named after the famous cricketer, bro? Because I used to love Dilshan's scoop, man. What a cricketer, bro. And Sangakkara is an all-time love for me, man. What a player, man. I'm from Tamil Nadu, Hosur. You know Tamil? Prashant, bro. Yeah, man, I'm Tamil, bro. I'm from Chennai, born and bred in Chennai, man. Yeah, I know Tamil, man. Don't do it. Daisy, Daisy saying, I I tried. It's like shit. Which one? What are you talking about, Daisy? What's going on? Can you place your referral code for funding pips? Um, do you guys need a referral code? Because I think you can get it in my Instagram page. I think, man. I don't do referrals usually, but if you want, I can get it for you, man. Bro, your strategy name, it's in the link. Sorry, it's in the pinned comments, brother. I have two strategies. One is 313 strategy and then stop hunt strategy. So you can check that out on the pinned comment. Okay. What's your plan for gold next month? No clue. I don't plan ahead. I don't plan prior. I sit every day with my community. For the last 2 months, I've been doing this. Every day, I plan my trades with my community. We trade together. We grow together. Okay. I don't. do swing trades. Every session is different. Every day brings new opportunities and pitfalls. We will negotiate it together, right? You can hold up to 40.66. Man, I'm done. I exited the trade with you guys, man. Don't worry. Where is Abhishek, bro? Abhishek, bro, as usual, man. You got it on point, bro. It went to TP. You called it, man. Oh, Dilshan, bro, says no. That's all. That's okay, bro. I'm pretty sure you know Sangakara, right? I love Sangakara, man. Speak something, bro. Speak something in Tamil, bro. நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? வணக்கம். I do know Tamil, man. Can you call 4110 as Ash? KJ, let me see, man. 4110? Where is it? 41. Yes, bro, I have called it an Ash. See? It's right there. That's for an Ash to qualify. Two candles to the left, two candles to the right. Red, green. Sorry. Green, red. That makes a high. For the low, this is also an Ash right here. Okay? Right, right there. That's an Ash. 4074 point of control. Let's go. Balaji, bro, uses fixed range volume, fixed volume range. Was it? What is it called? Looking for point of control. Is anyone still holding the trade? Guys, be honest. Is anyone still holding the trade for TP? Let's see if someone actually is. Fixed range volume. There we go. I've also worked with it, guys. Yes. You guys are holding the trade? Yo, there's gonna be news, man. Guy, oh my God, look at how many people are holding. I have a runner, Jashi, let's go. I didn't know these many people are holding the trade. My God. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. All the way or nothing. Let's go. That's hardcore, guys. No matter what you do, don't hold it. If you're doing with funding pips, do not hold it at 820. It might or it might not happen. I don't want you guys to blow your account. One on opposite side, small size. Let's go. That's eight of you guys are holding it. I'm just freaking mind blown at this point, man. Yo, I love that, man. Someone said all the way or nothing. Who is it? Travel? Bro, cheers to that, man. Hardcore, bro. Right there. Love it. They might have real account, not funny pips. Yeah, that makes sense. Patel, bro, you're right, man. Guys, I love you guys, man. I love the commitment to that trade. I can't believe it that you guys are still holding after me. Usually, I like to think that I'm the one who has the most discipline. I get to hold my trades. But look at this. My community is better than me. God damn it. I love that, man. Euro USD analysis. Sorry, man. I'm very focused on gold, brother. You might have real account, yeah. I meant earlier was saw your channel on YouTube was the best thing this month. But I'm almost 40 now. Okay. Thank you for saying that, man. And POC means point of control. Most trading traders on that point. Yes, exactly, sir. Well done. Thank you for explaining. Talking about cricketers, do you have a chance to see AB de Villiers playing? What a player. Bro, I have never seen him play, man. Guys, I've never been to a cricket game live. My dream, again, dreams, okay? Big. My dream is to watch a whole tournament, a whole World Cup tournament, every match of the Indian cricket team live, wherever it's happening, the whole tournament, okay? What, they'll play 10, 12 matches if they qualify. So I want to watch the whole thing, man. Guys, 820. It looks like there's no big movements as of now, but let's see. They just started talking about what they're going to do. Let's wait and watch what happens. Okay, let's see, man. Adi, welcome to Discord. Karan Kumar, welcome, bro. Gokul, hi. Welcome to Discord, boys and girls. My account's personal and one prop firm with Top Step. Bro, Top Step is Top step is fire, man. I love top step, guys. Paul, bro, you're awesome, bro. All the best, man. Thank you, buddy. You made my day start happy. Vishnu, bro, I'm happy that I'm happy you started the day happy, bro. I cut that trade before you oil is not supporting gold because news is news, bro. Sudhir, bro, listen, guys. If it goes to a TP here, I don't mind, man. Listen, we have taken so many TPs in the last week, bro. Look, these are all ones to threes. I'm very, very happy and satisfied. But if if that news gave me a gap up and closed somewhere up there, like somewhere up here after the news, man, blowing my account in my process, that I would have hated. But guys, live to fight another day. That's my motto. Today I'm alive. Yes, I missed $70 in profit. So be it. Um, when you trade in real account, do you have to be careful if it goes other way by SL slippage? Patel, bro, yeah, man. When it comes to news, guys, there is slippage. You guys have to be careful. You're right, Patel, bro. I'm positive and go to work. I'm in positive and go to work. Let's go. All the best, man. Have a great day, bro. Vishnu, thank you for being here, man. Bro, who will win Ballon d'Or? Krish, bro, this year, man. I don't know, man. It's going to be a tight competition, bro. Mbappe was good. Bloody Haaland was good. I don't know who's going to take it, bro. Let's see. I'm not sure about the usual suspects, but these guys are actually. Or who's it? Yamal. Lamine Yamal. Come on. Who knows? Like you said, you had a good feeling about today. See, you guys remember that, man. I had a great feeling about today. We got that. And I think we missed a 1 is to 3, sorry, 313 TP. So this was actually, so usually when it comes to A plus setups of 313, you see this, guys? That was what I was drawing in the morning. Okay. The thing was, I wanted this candle to close somewhere here, man, out of the supply. Usually when that happens, bro, perfect supplies. So three, this is 323 actually. So let me just put that indicator on. It'll be easier. You see that? Three, two, and then three. If this candle closed at least here, I would have gone in, man. I would have gone in 100%, taking a shot somewhere there inside the supply. That would have been the stop loss today. And my God, that would have been a trade to catch, right? So we would have got something like this. At least that's a 1 to 6 right there. But guys, setup is a setup. I need my things to happen. Rules are rules. Couldn't take it. That's fine. That's why I will not abandon that strategy. That strategy is very sound. You see, if I took it, we would have taken a 1 to 6 by now. And if I let it run for the whole session, if we didn't have a news, who knows where it's going to end up at 12:29 p.m. 12:29 p.m. Correct. My time. So for those of you who are holding it, man, it's actually good. All right. A solid rejection in 4-hour trend line. You think it will touch the lower level? I'm not sure, guys. Listen, I don't look for other time frames, other pairs, nothing. What is JPY news? How does JPY news affect XAU? Paul, bro, two things, right? One thing is this is Tokyo session. It might have a huge impact on gold because majority traders in Tokyo are trading gold at this point, right? Second thing, funding pips doesn't allow me to trade it, man. It's just restricted for me. I can't do it, so I didn't do it. As simple as that. Yes, I almost missed $70, but it is what it is, man. You're right. There you go. JPY market is not good, bro. So they don't give any chance until JPY sell at this US boy. Okay. Any rules different from funding pips and top step? Balaji, bro, you have a trailing drawdown, meaning if you're up $1,000, your max loss will also come up $1,000. That's a big headache. So when you're losing $1,000 from the point you were right now after the profit. Now your max drawdown has risen up $100, right? Sorry, $1,000 for that matter. It's a headache, man. That's something that actually pissed me off with Top Step, because when you have a rough patch, it's going to be way harder to recover, because your trailing drawdown just comes with you up. That's actually a headache, man. Bro, after this trade, I'm not trust anyone because you made my trade journey happy and confident. I believe 200%. Thank you. Nava, bro. Thank you. Thank you for saying that, man. It means a lot to me, bro. Guys, trading has to be fun. Trading has to be happy. No matter how many stop losses you take, be with the community that makes you happy, man. I'm very happy that I'm creating an environment where you guys can, ask questions without thinking about it. It doesn't, you don't have to be thinking about, like, is it a stupid question or is it a very smart question? Don't think about all that. If a question comes to your mind, just put it on the comments. I'll get to it eventually. Or put it in Discord, man. I'll definitely get to questions in Discord. Guys, my job and my dream goal is to make this community a safe place for traders like you and me. We're all small fish in a huge pond, people. Very huge pond. So let's try to make our days happier. Let's help each other. Let's grow together, man. Thank you for saying that, Nama, man. You made my day, bro, to be honest. There, no news. It already 8:22. Patel, bro. So that's what I was talking about, right? Sometimes you might get wild movements. Sometimes it's just going to be like a cracker that didn't go off. It can happen. We always get ready for worst case scenarios. That was the worst case scenario, but congrats to whoever who did hold on to their trades in the personal accounts. You might take the full TP soon. Okay, bro. I believe in your market. Sorry, bro. I believe in you, and market is always here. You have a capital. You can make money. I don't want to lose my profits and capital. Yeah, man. Today, bro. Exactly, man. We don't want to lose our accounts, right? Bro, I'm planning to buy. Brother, what's your timing daily? Listen, man, guys, I'll come to the questions. Do not spam. This is my timing. 5:30 a.m. to 8:45, right here on the bottom of my screen. Okay. Do not scam people. Sorry. Do not spam the chat. I'll come to every question. I'm planning to buy 5K account. Can you explain rules and hidden rules? Also, Flux or Pro or Standard, which is best? Krish, I'll explain you one rule when it comes to funded accounts for Flex. For me, I'm gonna also buy next week. I'm buying at least one or two accounts with funding pips. I'm gonna get a one-step Flex account. The rules are this: the maximum loss you can take in that account is 12%. The maximum you got to get in order to pass the account is 12%. Okay? 12% to go up, 12% to come down. All right? I don't think you can trade news. Nope. And what else? What are the other rules? As simple as that. That's it. You make 12%, you pass it, you lose 12%, on to the next. Okay? That's it, man. And don't risk more than 0.5%. That's my rule. That's not funding firm rule. So do that. You'll be successful, bro. Well done. Tech Zone, thank you. Romeo joined Discord. Welcome, man. Gold is huge consolidation for a long time on high time frame. Maybe it will break next month. Then it will move glorious. Bro, consolidation is where we thrive. You see that? We want price to consolidate and give us good ash zones and stop and zones, man. We're having a lot of fun here, boys. Man, the reason why my strategy loves Tokyo is because my strategy works better when price does this. Price ranges. When price ranges, it's gonna make lows and highs. When that happens, that's where we thrive, man. Listen, if someone is a liquidity trader out there, all that they're thinking when price gets to one of these lows is price took liquidity, it's gonna bounce. For us, we're thinking and waiting for the next 5 minute candle to close. This one was a very successful shot towards the downside. People, congrats on who caught it. Think of her. Have you heard of Tori Trades on YouTube? What do you think of her? Yes, I've heard of her and I've seen her videos. Man, being a full-time trader, I can't take one trade every 2 weeks. Bro, I'll get crazy, man. I'll go crazy, bro. She does swing trading. For those of you who don't know who Tori Trades is, She does swing trades on 4 hour. I think support or resistance, whatever she does. I'm not sure about the strategy, but guys, she takes one trade every couple of weeks, or even one trade a month for that matter. I'll run in the streets after getting crazy, man. It won't happen for me, bro. I want trades. I want to be active. I want to be, trading every single day, man. Not my trading style. For those of you who take trades like that, hats off. What patience you guys have, man. Can you can you can trade gold, Arvind? Only USD red folder news is restricted. Balaji, bro, is that the case, man? Because I saw this and I was like, nope, right? This is Funding Pips calendar, bro. Um, but it's okay, man. It's okay. Next time we'll take it. But again, I'm not going to risk my account. I've seen it happen. I've seen the crazy thing happen during JPY news in Tokyo. So I'm not risking it, mother. I'm not risking it, my brother. Guys, I told you the time again. 5:30 a.m. to 8:45. I'll be here for the next 14 minutes. So if you have any questions, put it down on the comments. I'm here to answer. If you're holding your peace, you can talk to me in Discord. All right. I'm using $10 for investing, make $3. What a hack it is. Thank you, Vishnu, bro. Congrats, man. Congrats on the $3, bro. Every dollar counts, people. Will you provide how many trades in that time? How many trades? Dilip, bro, in that time? Yeah, man, sure. I'll show it to you, man. Everything is here, guys. Last month, with this strategy, we have taken 40 trades in total, 25 losses, and 14 1 is to 3s, and today was a 1 is to 1.85. Okay, almost a 1 is to 2. That's the data for this strategy. The next strategy was 313. Not the best of months, but I'm going to stick to them. 23 trades, 21 losses for him, 2 take profits. But again, this is a higher risk to reward strategy. I don't care about this $800. That's fine. That's completely fine. Okay. This should have been a lot more because we are risking just 50% of what we usually do, and hence the lower dollar amount. But we're building the account. It's for the long term. We'll keep doing it. All right. All right. What's your payment mode to buy prop firms? Bro, I use my credit cards, man. If you have a Visa credit card or a debit card, you can buy it. Tory Trace does trend line trading. Exactly, guys. Yep. Hi, I'm new here. Is there any entry in gold now? No, bro. Nope. After this is done, I'll look for entries, all right? I'll look for this. Can you see this? That's a beautiful zone down there. I'll wait for price to get there and then trade from there. Okay. Sorry. That's wrong. So that will be first TP for today. If price gets there, I'll only look for trades when my trades go to TP. And then if another zone is met or created, then I'll look for it. Okay, this is stop hunt. Was this stop hunt? 4, 4. Yes, sir. Stop hunt. Uh, right. Okay, that's stop hunt for you people. All right, all right. I'm coming. I'm coming. Anand, bro. Good morning. I'm the same as ABSFX. Who suggested you? Thank you, man. Thank you for that FAQ suggestion, bro. I I actually took your suggestion and I made the FAQs, man. There you go. That's the FAQ. I made it within half hour. So thank you for that. Again, these are the usually asked question. Look at that. How old I am? I'm 31, boys and girls. I tried to make it, enlightening. So that's the FAQs. Thank you, bro, Anand, for that, man. I'll remember you, bro. Don't worry. Bro, if we go with the big time frame, maybe SL should and TP always big. Big time frame, maybe SL, TP always big. Sudhir, bro, yeah, man. If you're trading with a 4 hour time frame, yes, man. Your stop loss is going to be huge as well as your take profit, right? You might get a better win rate with it, but do you have the patience to sit on for 2 weeks by just looking at the chart without touching the chart and just hoping for price to get to wherever you want to get to? I can't do that, man. Physically, I can't do it. Only JPFS can be trader. You can ping them in Discord. They're very active. Okay, bro. Balaji, bro, I'll do that, man. Thank you for saying that. Hi, I'm a new subscriber. Sorry. Hi, I'm a new subscriber. I just joined you live. I'm really happy to follow you. May I ask which trading platform you're trading? Hi, bro. Welcome. Thank you for joining. I am right now trading funding pips, two-step account. You trade only an Asian session? Yes, sir. I only trade Asian session. 5:30 is where I start. That's what is. That's when Asia starts. I'll be here for the next 9 minutes. So I do this every morning for 3 hours and 15 minutes on the dot. Can we enter at 40.65 buying? No clue. My strategy doesn't say so. I don't know which strategy you guys are using, but if this goes to TP, I'll look for other trades. Or if this goes to SL, and then I'll look for other trades. So it's okay. I don't look for trades when my trade is running. This is actually the trade. I let it run. Is there any videos in your channel about funding pips? No, bro. Prabhu, bro, I'll make some, man. Don't worry. I'm actually planning to make a flurry of videos because listen, these the last time I made a video was about this one, 27th of May. That's the last video I made. And after that, guys, I got busy with the course. So it's been what? Almost 2 months, man. Struggling to get the course out, bro. So I'm gonna make videos, guys, for you. Don't worry. I'll get it out. You look like 23, 24. Thank you, guys. I'm actually 31. I'm old, I'm married. I'll take that. You look like 20. Biggest compliment right there. I try to maintain it, boys and girls. I used to gym a lot. I used to go to gym a lot, but it's been a while. I have to get back to the gym. And also, when this goes to TP, we're doing sit-ups. Remember? Look, TP, we're doing sit-ups. Maybe in the next 5 minutes. Yesterday I did. Look, 45 sit-ups right now. 45, 45 push-ups for stop losses. Super trend strategy. Okay, hold on. Can I follow your trades for my recovery? Bro, listen, it's up to you to follow, but don't think about it as recovery, my brother. What's gone is gone. What happens from here on is what that matters. But what I suggest for you guys, as always, is learn my strategies. Stop hunt, Ash is pretty straightforward. You can watch my videos, learn it, apply it. Even if I'm not there, you can do it because, guys, as usual, I trade the whole Tokyo session. Remember, I trade from 5:30 in the morning until 12:30 in the afternoon. Right now, it's 8:30. Okay. What happens if I take a trade after 8:30? You won't be able to see it. I won't give you my trades. So what happens? You won't get to replicate my results. You see these results, you won't get to do it completely. Yeah, you guys were lucky. I got 99% of these trades live because Ash is very aggressive and you get trades usually. But what happens if I trade after the live session? You guys have to know the strategy by heart, right? So try watching through my videos, come to live sessions, ask questions, and understand my strategy so that you can replicate my results completely. Okay. That's my request for you, but you can definitely follow. For people from the RBI, guys, this is for educational purposes only. So I'm just here showing stuff, all right? Harsh says 40.53 long, 40.64 long, VWAP line. Okay. No clue, guys. This strategy, I only wait for, lows and highs to be breached. Thank you. You're welcome, bro. Big swirl. That's a that's a medieval Indian genius right there. Is that a compliment, brother? Most which strategy you will use? Dilip, bro, if you're looking for a strategy with a very promising win rate and a good risk to reward, stick with stop hunt and Ash. These two strategies are very good. Look at this. So Badri actually passed her account. Um, Look at that. I've been using so she said, I've been using our mentor stage for the last 3 weeks, passed the account up 2K in the funded account. Just learn and follow stop hunt and Ash trades if you guys want. but I'll also take 3-on-3 trades that has a lower win rate, much lower win rate. It'll be harder for you guys to actually swallow the win rate with that. The risk to reward is much higher for that. So she just followed the stop hunt and ash trades. She followed and passed the accounts both stages, and she's up $2,000 in the account. Congrats to her and other people too. So it's up to you what you guys follow, but congrats, Badri. Why don't you shake your head like other Indian? What are you talking about? Bro, the typical Indian moves. I'll take I'll take that one. From also from Chennai, please let us know when your fan meetup. Happy to be a part of the meetup. Josh, bro, I'll definitely let you know, man. Why don't we do it? Why don't we do a meetup in a couple of months, okay? Let me pass my account and then I'll give you guys a treat. Let's meet up in Chennai. For those of you who are still here in Chennai, um, wait. After my first payout, okay? Let's do this. I'm committing this to you guys. Whatever I say, I do. I usually make sure I do it. After my first payout, for people in Chennai, lunch is on me. All right? I pick the restaurant. You get there. Lunch is on me. How does that sound? How many people right now are from Chennai and might join? Give me an idea because I don't want to be feeding 100 people. Okay? Put a yes on the comments if you want to do it. You you look too young. This is true. Millennials, the generation always look young like you and me. So, bro, I agree, man. We guys, man, actually look younger than the usual generation. Ash is aggressive stop on guys. What's your plan on training your profits while planning on long trade, even the smallest quantity without taking partials? I don't trail, guys. I don't take break evens. I don't trail. I just wait for my TPs to hit. Almost there, people. Almost there. Let's go. Let's go. That's the plan TP. If that hits, happiest man on planet Earth. Bro, Ronaldo or Messi? Bro, football, man. I love both of them, bro. Hey, bro, take care of yourself for us. We'll take care of ourselves for you over the weekend so we can come back next week, fresh months to learn more from you. Definitely do it, man. Guys, I'm not going anywhere. Be sitting right here Monday morning, okay? 2 more minutes, I'll be gone. Let's see. I will be happy to come up, sir. Patel, bro, if you come to Chennai, man, let me know, bro. We'll meet up. May? I don't know when I'm going to get the payout, guys. So whenever I get it, I will come from Bangalore. Let's go, Balaji, bro. Let's do it. Ash is smaller zones. I will make a video on it. Don't worry. TP, not there yet. Not there yet. Few pips. I need to book a flight to have a lunch with you, my brother. Sudhir, man, you in Coimbatore, right, bro? Where you from, bro, Sudhir? Bro, I'm from Chennai, man. KJ, congrats. Thank you, bro. Almost there, guys. Hasn't hit TP yet. TP is a TP. Hasn't hit it. If it hits it in the next minute, I'm doing sit-ups right here, okay? So when we hit TPs, we do sit-ups live. What times I come? 5:30 in the morning, Indian Standard Time, boys. All right, let's see if TP hits before I go. If it hits, you'll see me do sit-ups. Come on, hit me. Oh, Delhi. Oh, sorry, man, I forgot. I thought you were in Coimbatore, bro. Come on. Oh, she's teasing at boys. I'm in Chennai. Let's go. Dinesh, bro, is in Chennai. Oh, that was so close, man. That was so damn close. Nope. No sit-ups yet. Okay, I'll wait for the next minute. If not, I'll bugger off. Okay, you won't be able to see me do sit-ups. Um, let's see if this can takes because I don't do overtimes. Yesterday was a once in a while thing. Sherry bro was like, "You're done. Let's go." Can I come and meet G? Dinesh bro, definitely, man. I'll let you guys know. I'll do a meetup. Don't worry. For those of you who are from Chennai, we'll do a meetup. All right. I am from Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Let's go, Dilip bro. I'll let you guys know when we get my first payout. We'll meet. And then remember the date? 22nd Jan 2028. Book your flights to Bali, Indonesia. I'm taking you out for a weekend. We're having a blast. Food and stays on me, okay? That's for my community alone. Make sure you join Discord. I'll give you updates on that. All right? All right, guys. I think that's my cue to bugger off. I'm new to your channel. What should I know about you and what should I focus on? Hi, welcome to the channel. The only thing you have to know about me is I'm the most transparent MF out there, okay? You're going to see everything. You can ask me anything. Thank you for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm having a hoot every day. I'm having fun with you people. I got to meet you guys. Absolute pleasure. As usual, guys, another successful day, another successful month. Yeah, we might not have closed this with a green, but trust me, we will have other successful, much more successful months. Thank you so much for being here. That will get to TP more often than not. Don't worry. All right. Next live will be on Monday morning. Boys and girls, absolute pleasure as usual. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. I'm going to have one. And Monday is big news on live. I'm sending out the course Monday morning. So join me on Monday. This is Arvind Rangasamy signing off. Have a great weekend, people. Take care.